Lordship has directed the sub-collector and CDPO to
okay.
appear.
Let's take 5 items.
Item number 5.
Please all, I request all the council, please give a memo before you mention. Don't come just like that. And just stand, start mentioning. This is not done. You have to give a memo, accordingly I will take it. There should be some discipline in mentioning also. Wastage of time. 15 minutes, 20 minutes being wasted every day on this. Yes.
I'll take the permission of your lordship to refresh yourself. This is with regard to that clause 2 and 12 standard, my lord.
Yes. So they have
I've given an instruction also,
Hmm.
a copy of the instruction sent to me.
what is the instruction? The instruction is so heavy.
Because there is a new guideline has been annexed, my lord.
Mr. Sub-Collector, your 12th standard and plus 2, is it different?
Sir, namaskar, sir.
Is it different?
Sir, yes, sir, different, sir.
How it is different, sir? 12th, plus 2 and 12, how is it different? Explain me, please.
Sir, plus 2 includes only arts.
Includes what?
Includes only plus 2 arts, science and commerce.
Then 12, what is it in 12 then? The 12 also, the plus 2 art, science and commerce is there in 12.
And also, sir, other courses like diploma and other
Maybe that is also the course. That is, if that is there, that is there. What is the problem? What is your problem with that?
Sir, in the first advertisement, we had mentioned.
Sir, why have you cancelled? Because one thing, 12 class, what is wrong in 12 class? If somebody has gone through that ICSE or a CBSE medium, it's a 12 class, and if it is ODI medium, that is a plus 2. Then what is your problem? Is it different?
Sir,
The basic minimum common sense you should have applied before cancelling. Why have you cancelled just like that?
Sir, there was an objection by
What objection? Who has objected it?
Sir, one of the candidates, Nirupama Naik.
He or she objected, that's why you cancel it. You don't have any common sense. As an officer, what is your duty? Just somebody just objected, you will cancel without any logic.
Sir.
This is totally nonsensical. If 12 class and plus 2 same are the same, he is not fit to be officer then. I don't know how you qualify OS. I am very sorry to say all these things. You are doing all these things.
May I submit something?
Yes.
If your lordship will come to page 15 of the instruction, there is a new guideline.
What guideline?
Your lordship kindly see. Department of Women and Child Development.
What is the guideline?
Page 15, my lord. Clause 3.
Clause
3.
3. What is that?
The minimum educational qualification for selection of Anganwadi workers will be 12th standard.
Then?
In the first notification, it was mentioned wrongly as plus 2.
Why didn't you write that plus 2/12 standard? You would have been served the purpose.
My lord.
Why have you not done that?
That was that's why the sub.
But this is not a ground to cancel one advertisement. Suddenly, amidst all the process was on, everything was over. After that, you cancel it. How? Why you have done it?
At the time, being the chairman.
Just because your officer doesn't understand the 12 difference between 12 and plus 2, you have to cancel.
My lord, just because when the proposal was placed before the sub-collector as the chairman of the selection committee.
Whoever sub-collector, I don't care. I'm just asking a simple question.
My lord.
Your officer should have understood 12 is equivalent to plus 2. Simple.
That's true.
In ODI medium, we have plus 2, 10 plus 2. In English medium, we have 12 class.
12.
That is also equivalent to plus 2. So what is the difference? If somebody has done it, the CBSE, somebody has studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya or maybe some CBSE medium school. It will plot 12. Where from you get the plus 2 certificate?
My lord.
This is also 12. 12 plus 2 same. So we should have slash 12 or plus 2.
In the first advertisement, it was not there. By mistakenly, it was not there. That's why it has been cancelled.
Not necessary.
There
is no occasion to cancel actually. There is no reason for cancelling.
My lord, in the second advertisement also the petitioner has participated. My lord. There is no question that the petitioner has not participated.
Petitioner, of course, is not good. Petitioner participated. You have confused a lot because of cancelling things. Why I don't know. Why don't know? You have your department should have a a format throughout the district, one format with all clarificatory things. If you say residential certificate, clarify. It should have been issued before this date or before that date. This cut-off date will be there.
My lord.
Clarify clearly. There will be no confusion. You are not simply your X district publishes something else, Y district will publish something else. And that's why there is a confusion.
My lord.
Why don't you have a simple one format for advertisement, and that will be adopted by all the districts.
Right.
But we have all such confusion.
I'll-
Unnecessary, you are inviting litigation.
My lord, I will inform the department.
Your officers they don't care about the court system. That's the problem. Your officer, I have told you, the Panchayat Raj secretary, to frame the policy of transferring the Gram Rozgar Seva. They are getting hardly 9,000 rupees a month.
Yesterday, your lordship directed
They-
to file an affidavit.
They are transferred to 100 kilometers.
My lord.
How will they manage? Even if there is a rogue, if he is a badmas, throw him out. But why should you transfer to 120 kilometers? And he will come to court for cancelling the transfer. Why? You are creating unnecessary. Have a policy. There should be intra-block transfer. That's fine.
My lord.
Where inter-block transfer, or inter-block if necessary. Maybe nearest, you'll try to find a nearest. Just like that, if you just transfer to somebody, a person from Rangelodan to Bhanjanagar, 120 kilometers, will be transferred. A person from X place to Y place, 100 kilometers.
Right.
Take this.
Your lordship has directed yesterday to the secretary to file an affidavit.
This is how your officers are doing that. There should be symbol, one common.
My lord.
So now what to be done now? Tell us, suggest us. What to be done?
Even if you're assuming check, my lord,
You have applied in the second advertisement.
Yes, my lord.
she
Yeah,
came
you got
second, my
selected?
lord.
Yeah.
She came second.
Came
No.
second.
Well,
What is your objection?
Opposite party number 4.
What is your objection?
My objection is opposite party number 4, whose application was rejected pursuant to the first advertisement. He was again selected in the second advertisement.
Acha, was there any clarificatory note that those who have applied in the first advertisement, they did not apply in the second? Was there anything like that?
No, my
No.
lord.
Fresh, you have to apply. Everybody has to apply.
Direct rejection.
So you are saying in second, he was rejected in the first.
Right.
Then what is why should he be rejected in the second? If there is something lacking in the first, he was rejected. Second, that part might be fulfilled.
As the opposite party number 4 has not furnished the certificate in the first application.
Anyway, second time he has given.
He has
wrong,
furnished
sir.
all those certificates, he has been
Second
selected.
chance se gote paile.
Sir, in the second time, I was, see, that part, whatever happened. Now come to your question. That I said that in future they should not do that. This 12 and plus 2 things should not be there to be discrimination. Okay, they should be treated alike. Now question is, in the second advertisement, he applied. Rightly or wrongly, that was cancelled. Now come to the second, forget the history. In the second advertisement, if you have applied, and if she has applied and she has given all certificate, then what is your problem?
My problem is, my point is, my lord, as per your lordship's judgment, recent judgment,
What my judgment? I have not given any judgment.
after selection process is over, no rule can be changed.
What is this? That first one is gone, bhai. The first one is gone. Now the second advertisement, concentrate on the second one. If the second one was alive and kicking, and in that you have been rejected, right?
No rejected. I am
Not
serial number
selected,
2.
sorry,
I
not
am
selected,
serial
not selected.
number 2.
So the person who has been selected, what is wrong in that?
His application was rejected as per the
Earlier,
first
forget
advertisement.
it. This time, earlier what happened, forget it. I'm saying that you forget. This time, he was found suitable. So you have no case dismissed.
We take a difference only.
You have no case.
Ah, we take- My lord,
No case.
your lordship.
I am not interfering with any appellate order. Appellate order is there?
Appellate order is-
I confirm.
There is no region mention. There is no specific region mention. In the
That's
appellate.
why I'm giving reason. Dismiss. Next.
Item number 1.
Your lordship.
Kindly
Dispense
Dismiss the present.
My lord, he has also not given the
I am
first
not.
certificate.
I will pass order. Reasoning prepared order I'll pass, sir. I'll pass it. Okay, dispatch.
Much obliged.
Next.
Item number 1.
One,
My lords. My lords, the fact of the case is that, my lord, the Bharat and Johnson, husband of the present petitioner,
sorry, you just take. Yeah.
Bharat Johnson, husband of the present petitioner, my lords, on dated on
What happened?
dad due to
Accidental
snake-
drowning.
no,
Kept-
snake bite, my lords.
You have accidental drowning in the kind.
Snake bite,
Snake biting the kind. One to, one.
my lords,
What is your name? Rukmani Dandasena.
my lords.
So you have written here without sanctioning ex gratia the petitioner since his husband died due to accidental drowning. Read the first paragraph.
First about,
Read it. What is
my
there?
lords,
About drowning ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି argue କରୁଛନ୍ତି snake biting ବୋଲି.
wrongly typed, my lords.
Wrongly typed ରେ ସେଟା copy paste. Effect of copy paste.
My lords.
ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲା ସେଟା ଚିପକେଇ ଦେଲେ
My lords, paragraph 4, my lords.
accidental snake biting ମାନେ କଣ? Snake biting କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣିକିରି ଏଲିକିରି accidental ମାନେ କଣ?
ସେ ଘରେ ଶୋଇଥିଲା ତାକୁ କାମୁଡିଛି,
ସେଇଥିଲା କାମୁଡ଼ି ଦେଲା।
my lords.
Snake biting ପାଇଁ ତ ଅଛି ବୋଧେ। Take notice.
I'll take instruction.
Don't consider the petitioner. You have approached the authority
My
or
lords,
directly come to High
my
Court?
lords,
Where is that?
appear,
Where is that?
annex or 3, my lords.
3. Okay. The petitioner has the grievance with the petitioner is that was the page 17. That the petitioner's husband died of snake biting on which date?
19/9/18.
Hmm?
19/9/18.
29 September 2018. And the petitioner approached the office of the collector, cum district magistrate, chairman, district disaster management authority, Rayagada, copy number 1.
2, my lords.
Sorry, copy number 2. And this on when did you apply?
3/8/22.
8/8/22. 8
3/8
huh?
3/8/222.
Sir, 8/8 you have written here. 8/8
My lords,
2022.
8/8.
And the said application is still pending with the OP number 2. So how long you have he died on died on
2018.
18. Why did you apply after 4 years? Suddenly you realize that you should get something after 4 years. କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ apply କରିବା କଥା? Rule କଣ କହୁଛି?
ସେମିତି limitation ତ ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ. Mr. State Council, is there any time frame? ମାନେ limitation ନାହିଁ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ 10 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ବି apply କରିପାରିବେ? Do you have any limitation? You don't have limitation?
I'll seek instructions and update. ଦେଖୁଛି guideline exactly.
Minimum guideline ତ ରଖିବେ ଆପଣ ଏଠି guideline ରହିବା କଥା ଆପଣ state council ଏଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି guideline ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଏଠି ରହିବା କଥା। ex gratia ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଖିକି ଦେବା କଥା। ଠିକ instruction କଣ ଆପଣ limitation guideline ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ। ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କୋଉଠି ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ନା ଲେଖା
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଲଗେଇବେନି କିଛି ଲଗେଇବେନି ଖାଲି ଆସିକି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଉ ମୁଣ୍ଡ କୁଡେଇବେ ଆସିକି। ଆପଣ ସବୁ କେସରେ ସେୟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ କେବେ ଲଗାନ୍ତିନି। ଆପଣ ଏଇ ତ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏକ୍ସ ଗ୍ରେସିଆରେ ଆପଣ ତ ସ୍ପେଶାଲାଇଜ ତ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ତ କମ ସେ କମ ଲଗାନ୍ତୁ। ସବୁ ତ ଆପଣ ଏକ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ରହୁଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ତ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଲଗେଇବେନି। ଆଉ ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଥୋଡ଼ି ମନେ ରଖିଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇବେ ନା ଆଉ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ ଦେଖେଇବେ। Land Council of the state to find out the guideline, especially the issue of limitation in applying for ex gratia. Seeking accuracy of computation. This the matter on 21st as well. You got that instruction. Please, sir, God, for God's sake, keep all guidelines with you here at this point. But parallel binding kari guideline jete achi sabu gote jaga rakhi sete rakhi detandu. Je hebo apon mane au je thile sete dekhi paribo. Seta bi karibeni kichi. A khali instruction. Eta instruction never kichi zaruri nahi case re. Honestly, I should issue notice next date matter khatam hai thanta. Because of you don't have guidelines, that's why this is problem. And also, please give me one copy also. I'm begging, please give me one copy. So I can also take help of that guideline. Next. Next.
Item number 2.
Item 2, Lordship, seeking an adjournment on behalf of Mr. Das.
Hmm?
Seeking an adjournment.
What is the case?
The case is like he is challenging the award of industrial goods.
Mhm.
In fact, I have not ever with the fact.
Let us hire, don't mind.
He has requested to.
You are arguing, I assume you are
No,
arguing.
Mr. Das will argue.
Mr. Das tantu kare.
No, on personal.
कौन
basis
अच्छे में
of
देखे
the-
तक टेस्ट Yeah, what is this about? This is about the ID case number. ID case ID कहाँ है वो? Labor Court Sambalpur ID case number. Why this will come here?
No, in fact, I am not aware with the fact. Next week I will.
No. This Labor Court case go to the DB. Not here.
Acha, DB.
DB को जाओ. Let the matter be placed before the Chief Justice to assign the appropriate bench. Since the matter pertaining to the DB. Next.
Item number 3.
May it please your lordship, in this writ application, I filed an interim application that is not before a lordship, my lord. That is I number 12357 of 2020.
What is the interim application? For what?
Stay, my lord, in this case, what has happened? In this case, the writ application have challenged the inaction of the opposite parties for enlisting my name in the ineligible list for the post of GRS, my lord. Grammar Rozgar Sevak, my lord.
Ineligible list.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
In spite of the fact that I have filed all those, filed all those documents that has been as per the advertisement under Annexure 2, my lord.
So on what ground they have put in the ineligible list?
Your lordship, I will glance at page 21 under Annexure 4, my lord.
Annexure 4.
Page 21, my lord.
Hmm.
The provisional list of ineligible candidates.
Serial number कितने?
Yes, my lord. Relevant page, my lord, page 31, my lord.
31.
Serial number 347,
Just 31, 34,
top of the list.
347.
Yes, my lord.
Your name is Ashok
Banduki.
Kumar Banduki.
Yes, my lord. The reason that no
there is
computer,
education certificate submitted.
Now, your lordship, I have glanced at the application that has been submitted online, that is under Annexure 3, my lord, at page
Annexure 3.
page 19, my lord.
Annexure 3?
Page 19.
Page 19.
Your lordship got it?
Yes, I can see this.
Yes.
But
here-
from this, how do I know that you have
Yes, yes.
applied? Huh?
Relevant portion, page 20, my lord.
20.
Computer education, I have submitted ADC and advanced diploma computer application as well as OSCIT, that is Orissa State.
Sir, this is you have filled up the form, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have filled up the form that you have say ODCA computer application, blah, blah, blah.
Yes, ma'am.
The question is how do I know from this document that you have really submitted that document?
But those documents in the bottom, it has been written documents uploaded, all those documents, computer education certificate, page serial
Code
number
lagai
7,
ji.
in the
Code-
same page 20.
It again you have prepared.
No, that is submitted.
No, sir.
That is my plea. Yes.
This is a form. You have just prepared it and uploaded it, right? But from this is a list of documents uploaded that you have written. Suppose you have written 8 documents, 1 document you have not given. From this, can I find out?
For which they have invited objection, and then in that objection, I have submitted all those documents, and they called me for hearing on 14th.
Where is that?
That is under Annexure 5, my lord, page 38,
Page?
page 38, Annexure 5.
38, yes. Issue of notice of hearing of objection, take a notice that you are hereby directed to appear before the screening committee. So you have participated there?
Yes, my lord.
They
And
didn't
on-
raise any objection there?
Yes, my lord. That is under annexure, that is
So
same
where
page
is
39.
the
I submitted my report, page 39, next page, my lord.
page 39?
কারণ যে এই সোয়ানসু অধ্যতা সোয়ানসু আই হ্যাভ সবমিটেড অল দ্য উপস্থিত হই সমস্ত প্রমাণপত্র ইনক্লুডিং ওএসসিআইটি দ্যাট ইজ অ্যাপ্রুভড বাই দ্য গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ওড়িশা এন্ড দ্যাট আই হ্যাভ এনক্লোজ দ্যাট অন
If you have submitted, then why have submitted again then?
again because they did not accept it, my lord. On that date they did not accept. Your lordship kindly appreciate, my lord, under annexure 8 page 43 I have that document itself, that certificate I have enclosed in this writ application. Annexure 8 page 43, my lord. That is approved by the government of Orissa.
No, I am not disputing the certificate. I mean, the validity or genuineness of the certificate, I am not disputing. I am saying whether you have given on that day or not. That
Yes,
is
my
the
lord.
question.
If your lordship call for the records, then definitely I have given, because your lordship, because I have got the requisite.
Get the record.
Yes,
Hala. Lord comes with the state to produce the entire record of
Yes.
the present petitioner. Let's see. We'll see.
yes. In the meantime, status quo as on date, my lord, because they may cancel it, because they may advertise with regard to the, they may list the eligible
quo
list,
pura
because they may
bogus.
cancel my,
Status quo, everything will stop.
because my, in respect of the present petitioner only.
Sir, you present petitioner, you are first of all, you are now ineligible. Rightly or wrongly, that's I'm not on that.
If the eligible.
Why should I stop the entire thing?
Not in respect of the present petitioner.
Sir, with respect to present petitioner, but what is your prayer? Your prayer is to stop that.
But your lordship may,
Nothing doing,
Your
sir.
kind
Let
appreciate, my
them
lord.
get it, then
If
we'll
at all the
see.
eligible list.
Nothing,
because
I can't say anything.
then
I
my
can't
writ
stop.
application will become
For you, I
infructuous,
can't
my-
stop the entire process.
But the entire.
Oh, no.
The
That's wrong.
petitioner will not get a
That
chance.
you see, your case is important. For other people, their case is also important. So you should try to understand their problem also.
Status quo.
Why
necessary
should they
present-
scold me? इस कोर्ट के वजह से हमारा नहीं हुआ.
My
Why
lordship
should
may
they
fix
say?
a short date, my lord. Any short date. in
I am
next
not
video.
going to be owning all such kind of
Because they are
unnecessary
poor, my lord, the
things.
present poor petitioner, he will suffer, my lord.
Poor petition, everybody is poor, sir. Odisha itself is poor.
Because
70-80% of the population in Odisha is poor. So why is poor petitioner?
Well,
Don't
also
say poor.
appreciate
Poor
my
is
lord,
very, everybody is poor.
in spite of the fact that he is having.
In spite
all
of
those
nothing,
eligibility,
you
he will-
produce it by what time you produce?
Next week, your lordship.
Huh?
2 weeks.
2
Monday.
weeks.
Monday, sir, 2 weeks kono.
Yes,
अरे ये सोमवार
हाँ,
आर सोमवार को
हाँ.
yes.
এটা কোন district?
But district Borgod.
ବରଗଡ଼ ନା ବରଗଡ଼ ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗୁଛି କି? ଫଟୋକପି ଗୋଟେ ସେଟ୍ ତ ପଠେଇଦେବେ, କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି?
ତାହେଲେ
ନାଇଁ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ରେକର୍ଡ ଆଣିବେ ନା ଫଟୋ ନା ସରି
ହବନି
ଫଟୋକପି ହେଲେ ହବନି.
ପୁଣି ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ଇଜ ଗୋଇଂ ଅନ୍ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର କରୁଥିବେ
ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ନଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ହବ.
Not at all.
Then why have you come here?
No, no, silly, because my cancellation, because they have listed in the ineligible list. Therefore, only status
Sir,
quo.
ମଝିରେ ଏସବୁ ଠିକ ନୁହେଁ.
Otherwise,
It should not actually interfere in selection, in between selection.
only in respect of
That will
present petition, my-
actually create. Anyway, do one thing. That somebody has to come from Bargad carrying that certificate, everything. So they should get some time. 18th rasu. ହେଲା 18th.
Till then, status quo.
18th,
Status quo as in
17th. Status quo ମାନେ କଣ sir?
Status quo
ଟିକେ ମତେ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଟିକେ.
Because if the selection, if the your lordship can appreciate, my lord. if
Till
they-
that nothing, sir. I'm told. Till that nothing. ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା ଯଦି ଆପଣ ନଥିବେ ତ ଆପଣ they will consider.
Notice may be issued in my state application. Notice, at least notice may be issued.
First, let me see that whether you have done or not. ତାପରେ notice ଟା issue କରିବି.
The stay application notice may be issued.
notice କଣଟା ହବ? First, instruction ଟା ଆଣନ୍ତୁ. Why are you worried? Let him get the instruction. I'll find out if suppose you have not given and you are saying I have given.
No.
Then I will not entertain itself on the threshold. I will throw it.
No, no, under annexure 3, we are uploading all those
Ah,
documents.
upload
Otherwise,
annexure
if you have
3
already rejected,
ନା,
my
ନା,
lord, online
ଏସବୁ ବହୁତ
application
ଦେଖିଛି.
will not be accepted.
ରୋଜ ଏଟା ତ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଆଉ କଣଟା କରୁଛି ସବୁଦିନ ତ ସେଇ କାମ କରୁଛି.
At least
ଆଉ
status
ମୁଁ
quo as
ଜାଣିନି
on date, my
କଣ
lord.
କଣ କେମିତି ହଉଛି.
Status quo as on date in respect to the petitioner, my lord. Otherwise, my
nothing.
writ application will become infructuous.
ହେଲା ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? ହେଲା I can't help you. Status को କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେବି କହିଲେ?
this code
ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ status କୋଟା ମାନେ କଣ ଏଠି?
If the eligible list will come out,
Ah.
then my writ
Can it
application
not be
will
set
infructuous,
aside?
my lord.
What is the
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
purpose?
କେସ୍ ସରିବା ଯେ ବାକି ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ବାହାରିବନି ଏଟା status को.
I am in respect of the present petitioner. my
କେମିତି
lord.
ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ହବ? ଗୋଟେ ହୋଲ ତ ଗୋଟେ କରିବି କି ଆପଣ ବାକି ଯେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ କଣ କରିବେ? ତାର ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହବ? ତାର ଅବସ୍ଥା କଣ ହବ? ସେଇଟା ହବନି. ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବେ. Next.
God bless.
Item number 4.
Lordship, pardon to mention, Lordship, this matter, I am in virtual mode, Lordship. Your Lordship, can Lordship
can't
make
see
it
who are
convenient
you.
to take this matter at 2
I
o'clock,
can't
Lordship?
see, sir. I can't see.
Lordship, my
I can't
video
see.
is not working, Lordship. Lordship,
Why video is not working?
Lordship, I am,
Video is there.
Lordship, take up this matter at 2 o'clock. I pray, Lordship, and take.
My lord, they have not served the read copy. Let them serve the read copy and the matter may come up on another day. So,
You
so I
have the
instruction.
Orissa Gram.
Yes, yes.
You serve a copy, sir. First you
Yes,
serve a
Lord,
copy.
but by tomorrow I will serve the copies,
Then
Lordship.
you have not served the copy, then I am not going to hear you. Both sides are there.
Lordship.
I can finish it.
Lordship,
List the matter on 16th. 16th of the time.
Lordship,
16th.
I will serve the copy by tomorrow.
Next, please serve the copy.
Obvious, my
Lordship.
lord. Item number 6.
6.
My lord, two of the offense under NDPS Act, two of the accused, my lord, similar to this petitioner released on bail by your lordship. One is Annexer 3 and another is given today, my lord, the order. Annexer
Sorry,
3
sorry.
Annexer 3, my lord, your lordship, two accused person released on bail by your lordship.
Okay.
Annexer 3 is one and another, my lord, I have
What is the
given
total quantity?
4 quintal, my lord.
4 quintal.
My lord.
How come, Melanie?
My lord. The persons who are, my lord, in traveling in the vehicle, they are released on bail by your lordship.
You are, who are you?
My lord, I am, the allegation is on the basis of the statement of driver, I am implicated.
Who are you? I am asking. Did I ask on the basis of what you have been convicted? I say, who are you?
My lord,
What was your role?
my role is nothing, my lord. He stated that
Always everybody say my role is nothing.
My lord,
He was collecting it from the document.
my lord, the driver said that I am collecting, but I am not
From
there.
where you are collecting?
From the nearby area, my lord. I am the local.
You are from the jungle.
My lord.
Huh?
Nearby area.
Yes, what is this? From jungle in the twice,
That is the
collected.
allegation, my lord.
Where from you have collected?
That is the allegation, my lord.
I am saying where from you have collected?
From the nearby area, my lord.
From whom?
From the different people of the area.
Ah, that's you should say. From there,
That
you are collecting from different people.
different people of the area.
So how do you say that your blameworthiness is zero?
My lord, in this case, my lord, on the basis of the statement of the co-accused, my lord, I am implicated.
You are from?
A local man.
You have been in custody since?
My lord, custody since 1/6/2023.
1/6?
2023, my lord.
20?
3.
23?
My lord.
Sorry, rejected. Rejected. No ground. Had it been 20 or 19, I would have considered. I grant bail on the basis of period of detention, not on this 2023. Next item.
Item number 7.
7.
7, my lord, there is a noting about the paper publication which you have already done. Paper publication that you have already done. It is not on record. I'll file a memo with the paper publication board.
Well, on consider the state submit that the paper publication has already been done. Yet the opposite party has
Opposite
not,
party is private opposite party.
private opposite party has not yet entered appearance. That the matter will listed. Let it come on September 18th. By the time some more time will be right. Next. 8.
Item number 8.
My lord, by tomorrow I will take step for the take notice, my lord, because I could not receive the exact address, my lord. Opposite partner 5, my lord. By tomorrow I will take, my lord.
Okay. List the matter on 12 September. Next.
Item number 9.
9 and 10, your lordship, this is ex gratia compensation on death by fire by explosion of a gas cylinder. Your lordship on the other day had directed me to take the instruction and that circular at page 40 of my consolidated plaint. Your lordship may have a glance.
40?
40. जे फायर था जाउच कि न जाउच या भितरे आइटम पेज 40 your lordship. सब जाक लिस्ट मु देइसी फायर. Your lordship got it.
Page 40.
Consolidated plaint मु दे दी तार भितरे अछि. Last page. 40, 41, 42. तीन टाक.
Just.
All those cases covered by fire.
Hard copy.
देखिए last page.
Give me
40,
that.
41,
There
42.
was-
I'm giving a lordship. Last. See, 40, 41, 42. Higher. Second line notes. 41 be say higher. Covers. 42 be say
Sir, fire, sir, so one thing. Suppose there is a fire in a village, entire village, and generally in summer vacation, sorry, during summer, you might have seen one, if fire just gets one house or hold is, it gets fire. Suppose there is a very, and in most of the villages, you see the households are very connected. One, the next, the entire village sometimes gets.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏଥିରେ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ଫାଟିକିରି ଏଣ୍ଟାୟାର ଘର ଜଳିଗଲା ସେ ଯୋଉ
Yes,
ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରିଟା
yeah, that's what.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ସେ ନାଇଁ
Fire means, so.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
unless you
ଫାୟାର
show me the- unless you
ଜେନସ୍ ଫାୟାର ତ ଗୋଟେ
show the
Oblate.
guideline, it is not
your
the
lordship
guideline.
right ଫାୟାର ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ଜେନସ୍ ଫାୟାର ଇଜ ଏ ଟର୍ମ ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ଯୋଉ ଫାଟିକିରି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Gas cylinder fighting is, yeah.
ଫାଟିକିରି
Apply
ଫାୟାର
for that,
ଫାୟାର
insurance-
ଆସିଲା ଏବଂ ଘର ପୋଡିଗଲା ସେ ସେଇଥିରେ ମଲେ
insurance ଟା apply କର।
ନାଇଁ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ଜମା ପାଇନି ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟ
ଆପଣ insurance
କମ୍ପେନସେସନ
କରିକି ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ Indian oil ବାଲା ଯୋଉ
ନା ନା
insurance-
ସେଇଟା ତ ମୁଁ କରିବି ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ
କେବେ କରିବେ?
ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଲାଇବିଲିଟି ମୁଁ ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ
ଏଇଟା
ଅଛି
ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ସେଟା କାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
କହିବେନି?
ଆପଣ-
I'm just
ଆଇ ମେ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ
saying something in your favor. They have a huge amount
ନାଇଁ
of.
ମୁଁ କରିବି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କରିବି ଦ୍ୟାଟ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଅନ୍ ଦି
huge
ଅଦର
amount
ଡେ
of
ହାଭ୍
insurance,
ହାଭ୍ ଆଡଭାଇଜ
yeah.
ମି ଦ୍ୟାଟ ତମେ ଏଠୁ ନବାର କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତମେ ସେଠୁ ହ୍ୟୁଜ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ
Okay,
ପାଇବ
issue notice.
ନୋଟିସ ଯାଇଛି ନୋଟିସ
What is your instruction?
ନୋଟିସ ନେଇ ସାରିକି ଗତ ତାରିଖରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫାୟାରଟା
I'll need some
କଭର
time.
କରୁছে ନା ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କେତେ
Paper
କେସ୍ ହେଇଛି
copy
ମତେ
time.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Last date କେବେ ଥିଲା?
18,
ଗତ
sir.
ତାରିଖ
18.
ଆପଣ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ମେ ହାଭ୍ ଏ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ଟୁ ୟୋର
What-
ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଅର୍ଡର
Yes, where I'll get those instructions. My lord is already directed to give that entire guideline.
Okay.
That I'll also compile.
You
Some-
get the guideline for your national, sorry,
ଚାରି
state-
ସାତରେ
state
ଥିଲା।
disaster management guideline.
Right.
So whether this kind of fire is covered under this or not,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
just take instruction
ଆଜ୍ଞା
and list the matter on 23rd.
ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ ହାଭ୍ ପାସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ 4th ଜୁଲାଇ ଅଫ ଦିସ୍ ମନ୍ଥ ୟୋର
Let's
ଲର୍ଡସିପ
see. Let him take instruction.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଉ
Let him take it. Also, you follow that.
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ
There
ତାକୁ
you
ବି
get a
କରିବି
good amount.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Maybe 40 lakh something there.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ 40 lakhs
Of course, there will be some
ଆଜ୍ଞା
tax.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Tax
କହିଲେ କହିଲେ ଇଏ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦବ କିନ୍ତୁ ହ୍ୟୁଜ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ସେଠୁ ପାଇବେ
ସେଇ ତ କହୁଛି।
ପରସୁ ସେପଟୁ ବି
ଏଇଟା ତ
କରନ୍ତୁ
state government ଦେବ, ଏଇଟା କମ ପାଇବେ, ଏଇଟା
ହଁ ଏଇଟା 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଜମା
ପିଡଲି ସମ ସେଠି ବେଶୀ ପାଇବେ।
ହଁ ଏଠି 4
But of
ଲକ୍ଷ
course,
ଲେଖା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଫାୟାରରେ
ମାଇନସ୍ TDS।
ହଁ
TDS କାଟିକି ଦିଆହବ।
ହଁ
40 ବେଳେ 40 ମିଳିବନି।
ଏଇଟା
30% ଷ୍ଟେଟ ପଳେଇବ।
ହଁ ଯାଉ ଏଇଟା କୋଉ ଦିନକୁ ରଖିଲେ
23rd।
ହଉ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
Next,
Item 11.
11.
ହଁ ଯା
Sorry, my lord, I have filed requisite in delay 2 days, my lord.
Hmm?
I have filed requisite in delay 2 days, my lord.
You have not filed.
Filed, already filed, but
Like as the petitioner has filed the requisite, let the registry to process the listing. Yeah, list.
may I pray for date, my lord? May I pray for a
Yeah, file the requisite na.
already filed, my lord.
So ask for
Date may be fixed, my lord.
22nd.
Obliged, my lord.
Next.
12.
I will plead the lordship. I have filed a petition to
Yes,
the common
yeah.
lordship's order dated 12/5/2023.
Huh?
Because mistakenly it was stated by the state that my application is pending before the court below, is the original court in GR case number 304.
What a correction you want, sir?
No matter. My case before lordship is different. I filed a protest, the case was ultimately final report was filed. I filed a protest petition. Then, my lord, in protest petition, I filed an application for direction of crime branch because there was a dispute between myself and the IIC for which human rights and everything is there. Even case was not registered. I approached your lordship. Then directed to register the case. Ultimately, final report has come. There is no clue. But then I approached it in protest petition. I submitted that it may be investigated with the crime branch. Then in view of the Supreme Court, they said that they have no jurisdiction to give a crime branch other than the concerned police station, where their administrative jurisdiction comes. Then, my lord, I approach the lordship under 482. Then I withdraw the same because the lordship say that we cannot, though we have a power under 226 to direct, we have no power under 482 to exercise. Then I withdraw the application. Then I filed a writ application, 226 application for a direction for an investigation by the crime branch. That is my submission for lordship, my lord. But the state submitted. Let's
But why is it listed today? Is it
to recall the order, and to hear the matter on merit. To hear the matter on merit.
What is the order?
Let's say, look at my paragraph 4. I'm sorry, my lord. Paragraph 4 of your lordship's order dated 12/5/2023. 12/5/2023. Wrong submission was made, perhaps.
Which paragraph?
Paragraph 4. Learned and counsel for the state submits that though the case is pending before the Learned and JMFC Kujanga, the petitioner should have approached the state court for redressal of his grievances, which has been already disposed of. And I challenge under 482.
They are disposed of.
Yes, that is disposed of. Then I challenge under 482. Then I also realized that the court below has no jurisdiction to give a direction other than the concerned police station. Then I withdraw the 482 application. Now I have filed an application where lordship and the lordship has the jurisdiction on the facts and circumstances. Let's say give a direction for a fair investigation. And especially when I have allegation against the IIC and IIC, and there is a case against him in the human rights. And even case was not registered despite your lordship's interference. Therefore, the submission of report is not properly investigated and submitted report. Therefore, a crime branch investigation or a DIG or IG level IPS officer investigation may be considered. Because I'm a doctor, I'm threatened and I'm an out-of-state man to be killed. That is my submission. Lordship will recall and lordship fix a date. I can also give all documents. And
so you see that case is disposed of by the Kujang.
Yes, by before the court below.
No. Disposed of means what? What did happen there?
No. The protest petition was disposed of, saying that I cannot give a direction to the crime branch to investigation because the 2001 Supreme Court says that it is confined to the concerned police station. So therefore, I decided it was a wrong opinion and 482 was filed.
What do you want?
I will also recall the order and had been on merit and whether there can be a direction or not.
Okay. So take notice. Let's see. 24th last.
Ajay Lordship, please. Oblige.
Give a copy.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Next.
Item number 13.
13.
May I please, my lord? Yes, item number 13, my lord, requisites is filed in 3 days delay, my lord. Because it's already filed.
Requisites have been filed after 10 days. Hence, the registry to verify and process the file for early listing. Okay, next.
My lord, date may be fixed, my lord.
I've said
my
early
lord.
listing.
14.
14.
My lord, I do 14. I have no instructions, my lord.
No instruction.
With liberty, my lord.
Half liberty.
If any fresco job
That's
fine. God bless.
Next.
Item number 15.
15.
15. May I please, your lordship. My lord, the petition, my lord, is the Anath Ashram, my lord.
I
My lord,
have the
that
Panigrahi
is the
comments.
recommended.
File a counter in a short date. I have the
My lord,
PWC already.
I have, my lord, small prayer, lordship, as the only collector has recommended the fund, my lord. Only the approval from the OP number 1, lordship, and the child department. So
What is your grievance, sir?
my lord, my grievance is, my lord, the fund is already calculated by the collector, my lord. The present petitioner is, my lord, Anath Ashram, my lord, that due to lack of fund, my lord, it's very difficult to maintain the welfare of the orphans child and also old as, my lord, destitute old man.
So
My lord.
what do you want?
My lord, as per recommendation, lordship may direct to government, my lord, to pass the fund, my lord. Unnecessary 1, lordship.
His license has been withdrawn. Let me file a counter. I have the PWC. I have already got the details. Let me file a counter. Short date.
My lord, as my lord,
License has been cancelled.
my lord, that I have not
Your
instruction,
license
lordship.
has been cancelled.
I have no instruction, lordship.
No, I'm asking.
My lord,
Your license is cancelled.
My lord, I am not taking instruction regarding this issue, my lord.
No, your license is alive or
No, my lord, as per all on sudden, my lord, it's come, my lord, if
In
the
fact,
lordship,
it is
my
in
London brother saying that file the counter, lordship, file the counter,
File
lordship.
a count.
My
withdrawn
lord,
from 2015.
Okay,
and file
let's,
account.
let's place the matter on 24th.
my lord.
Let him file a count.
In this regard, I obtain instruction, lordship.
Okay,
My
next.
oblige,
Item
lordship.
number 16.
16.
This matter was there on 4th last week. When I prayed in view of the noting available to submit the consolidated cost title. Accordingly, your lordship permitted me and I submitted that consolidated cost title on the same day itself. Now the matter has to appear before your lordships, giving them the opportunity to appear.
Who?
Private opposite parties 4 to 7 were put
Notice
to
has been issued, no?
notice. Consequence thereof, notice has to be issued and the date
Okay, we should notice to the
4 to
new-
7.
newly added
Opposite parties 4 to 7.
4 to 7. Huh?
And your
Next
lordship fix a date so that they will.
11th September.
Obliged. Obliged.
Give the copy.
Requisites I have already submitted.
No, give the consolidated.
Already I have given and I am submitting the
Okay,
proof.
next.
Obliged.
Item number 18.
18. 18.
Yes, ma'am. May I please, your lordship? Here, I have filed a writ petition challenging the order passed by the legal services authorities, my lords. Yet the fact of the case is that, my lords, the complainant is the owner of a motorcycle.
Owner of the
Motorcycle.
motorcycle.
On 2/5, my lords,
What happened?
the husband of the owner, he went to market and there it was stolen. It was stolen, my lords, on 2/5. 2/5
Stolen.
stolen. 2/5.
FIR was registered?
Yes, madam.
Registered.
2/5 and the
Just hold on. Yeah, one by one. Motorcycle was stolen.
yes,
FIR was registered
after 7 days.
after 7 days. Nah? So anyway, 7 days is not very fast.
No, that is just clear decision and intimation.
Your instruction is what is your instruction?
No,
Any guideline you have that
No,
this should be
guideline,
filed within this day?
the apex court decision last occasion I was showing.
Sir, apex court distance सब कहीं देखा first guideline देखा
Actually,
Apex court केते
condition
distance
number
ଅଛି?
1 and 5, my lords.
7 days कौन problem थियो 7 days no करी It's not a fatal. I don't think it is a fatal.
Now, here says that it is not in view of the availability of fast communications. This is, my lord, your lordship, just have a glance to this.
Sir, आपन guideline कौन कहूची केते
Guideline.
दिन करिवे?
Notice to be given to the insurance company immediately.
Immediately means how many days? Immediately
48 hours, it has been interpreted 48 hours.
कोड लिखा है
अच्छी है
आपन को guideline देखले मत
guidelines अच्छी immediately
हमर देखा
and conditions number 5 कोची जे
immediately आपन गुडे within preferably within गुडे थिबा कथा ना
ना immediately
आपन करिवे सेटा मु ऑर्डर पास करबे आपन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी
आगे आगे कर देला हम कर दो
आपन देखा दो
मु गाइडलाइंस ता नहीं है से आगे
मैटर काली नहीं पढ़ने लगो
ना नेक्स्ट वीक रास्ते
मंडे
हां मंडे
मंडे आपन गाइडलाइन दे
आगे
हां इमीडिएटली माने कोन क्लियर लिखिबे ना इमीडिएटली 4 डे 5 डे 7 डे 7 डेज भी इमीडिएटली इज लेट वन पैसा देलाले सब रूल वार करबे
no
कोई नेला
that's true my lord but that the other way your lordship in some trucks my lords it is sold in different states then FIR was lost claim is being made
anyway let's see. You are also right I don't say your the
wait can it be on 16th my lords
okay 16 no problem obvious no you are right kind of people also misuse there also
misusing that my lords
but you should have a clearly specified time frame immediately means preferably within
and FIR my lords after 7 days no explanation why such delay
okay आपन delay कब है
due to ignorance दे पहला
ignorance
and DL was most importantly my lords most माने most importantly
खोजा खोजी करला तापरे न देला न पाइला
DL was not there.
Quando pahado pudi kuji
Another aspect is that DL was not there finding is there DL was not there that is one of the condition
is also important आपन DL नथिला
no my lord no deal
हां
no my lord
no DL तो मिलिबो बिना DL रे गाड़ी चलेबे आपन मिलिबो बिल्कुल ने पूरा स्ट्रिक्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट बारिले
2007 सुप्रीम कोर्ट लाख
एते बारिले सर 100 तार मुदी तीन आर्ग्यू
ना
बिना DL रे मिलेनी स्टेट बना कर दी सुप्रीम कोर्ट Unauthorizedly you are driving.
Third, so far third party law is different. So far own damage, law is different.
If you know DL, then you will not get.
That's
Take instruction on that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On that day. Okay. After the first day.
Item 19.
Special notice matter WPC 25796 of 2023.
What is this matter?
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this matter is relates to the petitioner challenged of the order of the Tahsildar Brahmagiri under Annexure 1 minutes. In this,
What is the order?
again,
What is the order?
order is that the Tahsildar directed under the instruction of the Indian Bank, Tahsildar directed the deceased father of the petitioner to vacate the land premises within 15 days, milords. That is on today, milords. 15 days is today, milords. On 10th, 8th.
What is the case about?
Case is all about that.
Why is the Tahsildar directed? There
Yes,
must
sir.
be
I'm
something.
submitting, milords. The deceased father of the petitioner probably took some loan.
Probably means?
I mean,
sure.
there is a possibility, but we don't know nothing about the loan details.
For the first time, I'm hearing that the case is on possibility.
No, my lords, we have
You're
not received.
sure whether the loan was taken or not.
Well, we don't know nothing about. We have simply received a notice, and in the notice it is directed that but the notice I'm submitting, milords. Why I'm coming in this rate, milords?
How can notice will come just like that?
No, milords.
There must be something.
Lordship is correct, milords. Whatever. But the thing is that we don't know nothing about the loan details, milords, and we are ready to pay if any loan amount.
If you don't know anything whether loan was taken or not taken, what do you think yourself?
Why I'm submitting? The notice was served in the name of the deceased father who has died in the road accident, milords. The photographs is also annexed to the.
I'm not. Did I dispute that?
Again.
Then did I dispute?
No, milords.
Then I am asking.
Again.
You are saying probably loan was taken.
No,
That's why I'm asking.
Because milords, we don't
If
know.
you are
nothing
not
about-
sure loan was taken or not.
Again.
On what basis you will repay the loan? Yes, we are ready and willing to pay back the loan.
Milord, I'm
On
submitting.
what basis you will pay?
If anything is there, then I'm submitting.
They're so generous to the bank.
No, milords.
Will pay
We are not
anything,
disputing actually.
What are you saying?
We are not disputing, milords. If any loan amount, we will pay within 6 months, milords.
Petitioner is the first person in the, so probably India is the first person who is generously coming to this court and I will pay.
I'll pay.
No, milord, we have undertake that. We'll
No. You are not, you don't know the loan amount, loan taken by you.
Milord, that's
You
what-
are saying whether probably loan was taken. On what basis you will repay the loan, sir?
Milord, that is the ground of the writ, milords. That's why you filed this writ, milords.
There's a boring ground then. I'm not, I am dismissing
No,
that.
no, milords.
Then there's
Milord.
dismissal. This is a case for dismissal then.
No, milord. We are
The
undertaking.
court deals with some specificity,
Again.
some genuinity, and not that anybody, anything, you raise and we'll grant you order. What
Again,
is it?
no, milord. If any, we'll pay, milord.
What is the notice of the Tahsildar?
Notice
under-
26/7 ରେ ହେଲା।
26/7 ହେଲା.
Notice କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
Notice annexure 1, milords.
26/7 ରେ ହେଲା ଏଠି
ଆମେ-
suddenly ଆଜି ଆସିଗଲେ ହଠାତ୍।
No, milord, we have received this notice on 29/7, milords. 26 ରେ ହେଲା, ଆମେ 29 ରେ receive notice କଲୁ।
29 ଆଜି କେତେ ତାରିଖ ହେଲା?
But the thing is that, milord, one of the relative of the petitioner received this notice, and I am the daughter, milords, and I'm staying in my husband's residence, milords.
ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ରହନ୍ତି କି?
Husband's residence.
So what is this? ଏତଦ୍ୱାରା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅବଗତି ନିମନ୍ତେ ଜଣାଇ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଯେ ଜିଲ୍ଲାପାଳ ପୁରୀଙ୍କ ଆଦେଶ ତାରିଖ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ମୌଜା ଅପିଠିରେ ଥିବା ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ତଫସିଲ ବୃତ୍ତିଭୁକ୍ତ ଜମିକୁ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି କ୍ରେଡିଟର ଅଥରାଇଜ ଅଫିସର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ରୋଡ ପୁରୀଙ୍କୁ ହସ୍ତାନ୍ତର କରାଯିବ। ତେଣୁ ଏହି ନୋଟିସ ଜାରି ହେବାର 15 ଦିନ ଯଥା ଆସନ୍ତା 10/8 ମାନେ ଆଜି
ଆଜ୍ଞା, milords.
ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଉକ୍ତ ବୃତ୍ତି ଉପରେ ଥିବା ନିଜର ସମସ୍ତ ଅସଭାବ ପତ୍ର ସହ ଜମିକୁ ଖାଲି କରିବାକୁ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, after receiving the notice, what did you do? First step କଣ କରିବା କଥା?
My lord, we have approached
Where?
Tahsildar before, my lords.
ତହସିଲଦାର କଣ କରିବେ?
Tahsildar, whatever the Tahsildar assists the bank.
Again.
I mean, this is the state government authority assists the bank in recovering, in vacating all
But
this.
this office is-
Tahsildar also takes the help of police sometimes. You should have approached the bank. You
My
should
lord,
have asked
my lord,
under which
it is under the instruction of Indian bank, my lord. But the
हाँ
thing is
भैया
that-
Indian bank अपना ଯିବା କଥା कि नहीं?
But my lord, we don't know what is the loan account details. We don't know nothing about that. That is
बैंक
the-
ଗଲେ ସିନା ଜାଣିବେ, ଆଉ ଘରେ ବସିଥିଲେ ଜାଣିବେ?
petitioner is residing in the husband's place. That's why-
husband ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ, ବୁଝିଥାନ୍ତେ କି ମନା କଲା?
ତ ଆମେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତହସିଲଦାରଙ୍କୁ ଯେହେତୁ ନୋଟିସ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ
ତହସିଲଦାର ନୋଟିସ ହେଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ପଚାରିବେନି କଣ ଲୋନ, କୋଉ ଲୋନ, କଣ ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଛି ନୋଟିସ? ତହସିଲଦାର କଣ ପାଇଁ ତହସିଲଦାର ତ ନିଜ ଆଡୁ ନୋଟ ପଠେଇବେନି ନା, ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତାକୁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲା, ତହସିଲଦାର ଦେଲା ନୋଟିସ। ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଡଜ ଇଟ ଥ୍ରୁ ତହସିଲଦାର। ତ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ଯାଇକି ପଚାରିଲେ କଣ ଲୋନ, କେମିତି, କୋଉ ବେସିସରେ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ନା?
we are undertaken to
Just
pay.
listen to me.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
This thing has actually it is so silent about the loan, anything about this. How can you pass order, sir? To whom shall I issue notice?
My lord, ତହସିଲଦାର, my lords.
ତହସିଲଦାର କଣଟା କରିବ? ତହସିଲଦାର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର କାମ କରୁଛି।
We are undertaking that. We are undertaking that if the outstanding loan amount will be paid within 6 months, my lords. We are not
Are you
disputing.
even mad or what? Do you have sense?
ତାପରେ
Is it sense
possession
ଅଛି
କୁ
ତ?
ଗଲାଣି ହେରି
କୋଉ
property।
amount କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା କିଛି ନା ଜାଣିକି will pay promise କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି।
But we don't know also the amount.
ଯଦି suppose 5 କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ, ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦେଇଦେବେ।
ନାଇଁ 6 ମାସ ପରେ
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି 6 ମାସରେ 5 କୋଟି ଦେଇଦେବି। ଯଦି କହୁଛି example ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି।
whatever the amount, my lords, we will pay the.
You don't know anything. Just ask question case for I'm rejecting
my lord, under
it. Rejecting it.
My lord, under the
No,
instruction of
sorry.
the.
This is not the way.
Then, my lord, can I submit one thing, my lords?
Why have you been using this car or all the photo? Why?
Well, it is the accident of the father, deceased father of the like
Did I dispute this?
no, my lords.
Then why have you addressed this? Is it important? Loan ର କଥା ନ କହିବି କାର କୋଉଠି ସେ ମଲା ସେଟା ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ କାର ଫଟୋ ଦେଲେ କଣ ହବ?
ଆମ ପାଖେ ନାହିଁ actually ସେଟା
Just don't understand the slightest of the thing. ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ କେସ୍ ଆସିବା we should have a stateable case. କେସ୍ ରେ କଣ ମାଗିବେ, କଣ କିଛି ଏମିତି this is bereft of anything. I'm just disputing.
my lord,
You draw and file it properly.
my
You
lord,
draw and file it
my lord,
properly.
can you submit one thing, my lord?
Nothing.
last
I'm
my
not
lord. My lord, last thing, my lord, can I submit one thing, lords? My lord, the status quo should be maintained.
What status quo? On what basis? I'm saying
My
withdraw
lord,
it.
I'm submitting, my lords.
Nothing doing. I said withdraw it or you.
My lord, notice to be sought to the Indian bank. We also made the party to the Indian bank, my lords. Notice to be sought if any amount. As per the reply, my lord, we'll pay the amount, my lords. As per the instruction, my lords. My lord, this is my last submission, my lords. Status quo should be maintained. Then whatever the amount will paid, my lord, within due dates. Whatever the lordship has directed, my lords.
Why didn't you go and inquire with the Indian bank, mister? We don't know which loan, what loan, kichi nahi. Ithre mu kemti order pass
But
karibi?
that's why I'm submitting, my lord.
That's why what are you submitting?
That issue notice to the Indian
Jada
bank.
smart?
No, my lord.
This is smart.
No, my lord.
Dismiss.
My lord,
Dismiss. I said dismiss. The petition failed to.
my lord, permitted.
Nothing doing.
We'll take the instruction
Then
further.
take the instruction and come. Just like that. ये कौन मजा खींची? कोर्ट को कोर्ट वाले आप बिहेव करंतु. पंचायत भलिया करछथि. केस रे ना से को लोन कोन अछि किछि नाही सारे गोटे नोटिस धरे फाइल कर देले आ वी आर रेडी टू पे कोन को पे करबी केते पैसा पे करबी को हिसाब रे पे करबी आपण लोन अमाउंट केते जणा नाही को लोन अकाउंट जमा नाही जणा नाही केबे निया हेतला जणा नाही को हिसाब रे पे करबी
बापा नहीं थे
बापा नो के दादा नेउंतु के नेउंतु सेत्र आई लिस्ट बदल बड अछि यू शुड हैव क्लियर्ड विथ ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड यू शुड हैव फाइल इट आसिंगले सब कलेक्टर नोटिस I am ready to grant you relief, but you are not ready with you. केमती relief? मु देई थांती एबे बट आपनकर मिस्टेक पई देलिनी
हम पाके नाही
एमती नाही माने बैंक को जाकर कलेक्शन करिवे नी बैंक आपन क्लाइंट को कहितांते बैंक रो इन्फॉर्मेशन नेकी आसी कहितांते Just पढ़े आले इनके फाइल करके किसी को कर दे. How is it? Should it be considered? एमती हुए के बे? Your client has जदि तुम client कहिला एटे पचारले नहीं कौन पे आसी नोटिस आज्ञा जाइकरी बुझंतु बैंक के बुझिले बैंक तारे कहबो ए नोटिस आज्ञा आसी केबे लोन नेथिले की नेथिले केते नेथिले इंटरेस्ट केते आउटस्टैंडिंग केते पचर गाणी संदे
सर काली हमें ब्रीफ टा पाइला एक्चुअली सेति पई हमें
सेटा नहले केंती पास करी गड
काली हम पाइल तो सेति पई ब्रीफ
आपण काली पे एटा घर कथा नु एटा कोर्ट को सब डिसाइड करे
आज्ञा
मन इच्छा जाय से धरि पळे आसे कोर्ट फाइल कर देले केस बारे लर्न समथिंग दिस इज नॉट द वे नेक्स्ट
Item number 19.
19, my lord, disengagement of GRS, my lord, I pay 1 week time, maybe even file counter activity.
on this GR okay fine December 31st next
My lord, posted to which date?
31st.
Posted to which date?
31st
Item number 20.
yes what is this
Item 20. Previously, my lord have directed, can the petitioner will be regularized, take instruction to the government, my lord.
My lord, in this case, I have filed my detailed counter affidavit. I have contacted the additional secretary, my lord. He told me that, sir, we have already filed counter affidavit. What happened, my lord? The university, without according the permission, approval from the finance department, so also from the higher education department, simply regularize the service of the petitioners.
they can't do that they can't do that
Approval, or otherwise, Uma Devi,
Not Uma Devi, university themselves they can't do that. They have to take the approval of the finance department. That is there are other case also. There are some other cases also before this court where university has regularized, but government has not given approval, and that they have been again that regulation was cancelled.
Here, what happened, my lord? First, the university wrote a letter to the regularize the service of the petitioners. Thereafter, he wrote a letter to the proposal, send a proposal to the government for approval. How it can be?
That is how it is done. No, that's how it is done. He's right. University always after doing that they send, not before that.
No.
We also specifically, my lord, we have stated in the counter that we have first sent the conditional appointment. Thereafter, you have sought for accordance with the government.
Once, see, after they seek conditional approval from the government. After the government approves, then
No, here government has not accorded that permission. That the condition.
That I know, but here is not. Why you have not accorded the permission?
Well, my lord, they have issued the letter. They have issued the letter, but without approval, they have regularized the service. My question, my point of argument is, my lord, your lordship may kindly have a glance to Annex 11, the rejection order, page 26. Initially, the petitioners were.
They were not appointed against the sanction post.
Yes.
That is the.
Yes.
That is
They are saying that 16 posts are lying vacant. Where you got it? Without approval, how could you know that 16 posts are there?
Right. How will you appoint, sir, non-sanction without any sanction? How will you appoint?
Well, that was a conditional appointment because we are.
This is illegal appointment. If there is no sanction post and still you are going ahead with appointment, it's illegal.
And the rejection order itself speaks, my lord, I am placing the operative person. As per the ratio decided by the Honorable Supreme Court in judgment dated so and so, passed in the state of Karnataka versus Uma Devi, appointment against any non-sanction post shall be treated as illegal, and no illegal appointment can be regularized whatsoever.
That's
the
correct.
Illegal appointments
The stand of the government is correct.
My lord, you also see in our counter, my lord, page 32, running page 32.
केवल एथर गोटे जिंस गवर्नमेंट सिंपैथेटिकली नेचुंदी लास्ट पार्ट लिखिचंदी at best we can confer this temporary status.
Which paragraph?
My lord, paragraph 14, my lord, page 32.
Page
Page 32, running page 32, my lord.
32.
My lord.
Read it.
My lord. My lord, it is second line, my lord. It is especially submitted that at the time of recruitment of DWWs by office order dated such and such, dated 9/6/11, prior approval from the office of the Honorable Chancellor, Government of Odisha in the Department of Higher Education was obtained. Wide number.
Just hold on.
My lord.
What did you write here? What did you write? Read it.
My lord.
Prior
approval.
Prior approval from the office of the Honorable Chancellor, Government of Odisha.
My lord.
माने कौन? In the Department of Higher Education.
That is, my lord.
Sentence माने तो मुझे बुझी पाली.
That should have been from the government.
Sir, Chancellor is not under Department of Higher Education.
That should have been Government of Odisha and Department of Higher Education. My lord, that's a mistake.
Department of Higher Education under a Chancellor.
No, that is a mistake. There is a mistake.
Chancellor is the governor, sir.
Governor.
Sir, why have you written like this?
There is a mistake, my lord. I apologize. If you read further, my lord.
Exactly, I don't understand. What is this? Can you show me this letter?
That letter.
What is the letter? Your university is writing like this. Some officer must have vetted this counter. Who has vetted it? Who has done the vetting work, sir?
My lord, that I'm not.
Just answer me.
My
Who
lord,
has vetted this? Your registrar has vetted this.
no, my lord, it has been registered.
Anything you like you are writing? Chancellor, Government of Odisha and Department of Higher Education, bidded letter number so and so. So this letter ta dekhantu kam se kam.
That letter is not with me right now.
Then I want to know the letter. Just simply you say we have taken approval. Should I
Then I'll take
take it?
instruction with respect to that. And as to how the approval has been, the conditional appointment, that I'll take instruction.
Sir,
with-
that letter is very vital.
My lord, I'll provide.
This is the case.
My lord.
Unless you show that you have taken a prior approval from the Ministry of Finance,
My lord.
then how can I pass out?
May I understand the query, my lord? I'll obtain instruction. My lord. The
You
letter
get
or
this
not?
letter.
My lord.
And concept of the university,
My lord. OP
Berhampur
3 and 4.
University,
My lord.
is directed to file the letter dated 2/11/2021.
My lord, 2/11/2011, my lord.
No.
2/11?
Letter number 957/SG bracketed HE dated 2/11/2011, 2/11/2011, and letter number dated 8452 dated 3/3/2011. Two letters.
My lord.
Hello? So, list the matter on 28 years. Hello? Next.
21.
21.
The disengagement of Jogan Sahag, Lordship can say the Anestor 1 mailor. The petition is the appointed a Jogan Sahag mailor. All of us are Anestor 2 page 9 mailor. He has been disengaged without any so much, without any, following the principle of natural justice mailor.
Show me your appointment letter.
Mailor. That is
Appointment.
that is Anestor 1 mailor.
Next. With reference to the letter and subject, I am to intimate that Sri so and so, aged about so and so, joined as Jogan Sahaga.
This is really joining report, mailor.
This is joining. Where is that appointment letter?
Mailor.
Appointment letter.
That appointment letter, they are only, I have not annexed, mailor.
Show me that. Actually, in the appointment letter, it is written clearly. If you are, I mean, if you just are engaged in any kind of what do you call criminal activities or any
Here there is no criminal
breach of discipline.
There is
or anything like that, then you
only allegation mailor, there is a dereliction of duty and they has not
dereliction of
intimated
duty is
the
very important allegation,
they are
sir.
not intimated the higher authorities, mailor.
Dereliction of duty is very important.
That is the relation of duty regarding the has not intimated to the higher authority, my lord. There is a fact remain 2 Jogan Sahag before a lordship, my lord. One case, one of the one panchayat, there is a excess stock, my lord, and they have shifted to the authority as per the instruction of the authority, my lord. They have shifted to another GP, my lord. There is the petitioner has no role, my lord. Only allegation that he has not intimated. Subsequent to Lordship can say the answer of Lordship, I have filed a rejoinder, my lord. In the rejoinder, they have recovered that amount, my lord, from one Kurmi Murmu, my lord. That amount the government has recovered, and that person, the official, he has been reinstated, my lord. But the person, I am the one small, my lord, the Jogan Sahib, I am getting 6,000 rupees.
That is not the case. 6,000
6,000 per month, my lord.
That is not the thing. Thing is, see, whether you have been following the instruction of the department, number one,
My lord.
or not. Number two, whether you have been transparent in your activities, whatever you are doing. Number three, you should not fiddle the whatever items supplied to you.
Lordship
Start
can say,
selling them.
Gotiya khali monar allegation, there is a dereliction of duty in the part of Jogana Sahago and a PO of Purana GP and Jogana Jharpal GP. They will deliver the stock on GP to other and did not take any step to intimate the higher authorities. Dita year gote janaka gote jagare
What is your answer?
My lord, I have filed my counter affidavit, my lord.
Yeah, already filed counter affidavit, my lord.
Kindly have a glance to paragraph 5, page 2 of my counter affidavit. That in reply to amendments made by the petitioner in para 1 of the read petition, it is humbly submitted that as per the advertisement number so and so, the read petition was engaged as Jogan Sahayak, order number so and so, block development officer Nuaga, which was contractual in nature. At the time of joining in the post, he had made an agreement through affidavit wherein it had he had declared that at point number 27 that the Jogan Sahayak will be accountable to GP for any sort of lapses in PDS operation. One complaint received regarding stocking of PDS of Jauharitoli GP and Purunapani GP go down, which violates the PDS rules. The read petition was aware of the fact that but did not take any action to inform the authorities, which shows his carelessness and negligence in duty. The sub-collector Pampos directed the BDO Nuaga for distribution of PDS to the left-out beneficiaries of the aforesaid GP by letter number so and so so. Accordingly, the undersigned had issued an office order number so and so for engagement of nodal officer for smooth distribution of PDS and PDS to the left-out beneficiaries. In response to the complaint, a committee was constituted with Assistant Civil Supplies Officer Pampos, Tahsildar Biromitrapur, Marketing Inspector Bisra, Warmunda, and a Lathikota by the Sub-Collector Pampos. By his office order number so and so, the committee submitted a report to the Sub-Collector Pampos, and Sub-Collector Pampos submitted the final report to the Collector Sundargarh on 22/6/2021 with recommendation that both the Jogana Sahayak and the POs are dereliction of duty, and they allowed the delivery of stock of 1 GP at other and did not take any steps to intimate the higher authorities. That is the only reason for which the.
But that is the my first submission. That is my submission.
If there is committee was formed and they found out
that has been reflected in page 9, well, that is my submission of that is they have not misutilized that that product, the rice mill.
But sir, when that maybe you may not have misutilized, but when you are shifting or doing something, you're not intimate. Intimate the higher authority.
That is
that is very important.
Jogana Sahayam, that is the rule, man.
Don't say all these Jogana Sahayam.
He
has some little
regender, my regender. They have recovered that amount from the other person, my other
but
only
duty.
Only when direction that I have not intimated the authority. That is my
that is a very important dereliction of duty.
That there are other officials that my the Panchayat executive. I am working under the
Sorry, I can't.
Then let's give some other
order is up.
I only a Lordship can see that I have they have not given any.
I have reserved the order, sir. I'll pass on.
I am a Lordship. What it is sooner they
pass order during the course of the day. I can't this is one point sufficient to dismiss you.
I got 1 point. I got dismiss the Lordship have power to dismiss the only thing they
are not. I don't have power to dismiss. Your authority has the power to dismiss.
No, my authority is already dismissed. For that reason, I approve before Lordship. I see dismiss. They have already removed my service.
In respect of the PO, he will be legal out from that.
Even I have not given a single letter to me. I have not submitted any. They have so much. Even they have inquiry, they have not intimated me. Even in inquiry, my lord, they have not intimated, my lord.
Inquiry, they are not.
Kichi, they nothing, my lord. For that,
Just hold on. Have you just called for while inquiry? Have you called him?
nothing, my lord. They have annexed, my lord.
What to take? Why are you so much in a hurry? I'm not going away. You have given him opportunity at the time of inquiry. The inquiry, was he called to the inquiry? Not required, sir. In the inquiry, it's not required you to be called. No.
But I have.
See, this is a contractual,
Like
purely
contract,
contractual
even if,
job, sir. It's not in regular. job,
even
you
in
will give
contractual,
you
my lord,
opportunity of
any
hearing,
adverse order
blah,
passed,
blah,
my
blah,
lord,
these things.
any adverse order passed, that must have had from me, my lord. That is the principle of natural justice to be followed.
sir,
I am
okay.
citing a decision of this honorable court, my lord.
Principle of natural decision darkar nahi. We know that.
Sir, ଗୋଟେ adverse order, ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ decision ଟା ଦଉଛି
natural justice decision darkar ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନା recent decision of the honorable
କାହିଁକି
affairs
recent
court, my
decision
lord.
ହେଲେ ବି ଚଳୁଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଟା 100 ବର୍ଷ ପୁରୁଣା decision ହେଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ।
100 ବର୍ଷର recent decision ଅଛି ଇଏ
Principle of natural କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
sir, जो inquiry ହେଇଛି in presence of the present petitioner, my lord.
Age old principle, why we require decision for this? I don't know why there's so much, we are so fashionable about the decision, I don't know.
ନା
Not
decision
required, not required. I'm saying not required.
My lord, kindly have a glance to page 11 of my counter affidavit. ଏବେ କହିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି statement ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି? Page 11, ma'am.
Page 11.
My lord.
Yes.
Third para. Then we move to se jo GP guda gale open in presence of the honorable
Just. The counter on behalf of 1 to 6. Paragraph?
Page 11. Se jo inquiry report ta. Then we move jo achi. Said the stock of the rice and wheat so found in the godown is 9.13 quintal of rice and no wheat. The statement of JS Jogan Sahab and PO of the jail of the Jharitilo Gram Panchayat is enclosed as Annex 3.
Where from the statement came, sir?
Statement
If you are not, so just hold on. Yes, he is right. If you are not intimated, where from your statement came, sir?
No, let's use some other date. I will take.
No, other.
They're in for their instruction, mail. They have not. They have not issued any notice, mail.
Just hold on. Just now you are saying you have not been intimated. If you are not intimated, where from your statement came?
I guess you have to verify.
Verify. Order is up.
I don't
want to. No. I have heard sufficient. Order is up. Next.
Item 23.
Vice Chair.
Sam.
Sam 23.
Sam order.
22. Sam 23 different.
23.
May I please, my
Vice.
Lords, item 23. On the last occasion, that is on 7/7/2023, Lordship directed my learned senior to file a reply, my Lords.
What is the issue?
Lordship,
Dita question करथिले जे whether for removal of the Gram Rozgar Sevak, whether the PDDRD, the inquiry conducted by the PDDRD is justified or not. Second one is whether the disengagement order passed by the sub collector is right. Though the panchayat is the Gram Panchayat is the appointing authority. To that effect, my lord, I have already filed my reply.
Can the PDDRD
PDDRD କରିପାରିବେ जो National Food Security Act अनुसारे हमरो गोटे नोटिफिकेशन हला से नोटिफिकेशन अब देइची 14/10/2015
according to the National Food Security Act, PDDRD is the authority.
हाँ नहीं सेइथरे नोडल ऑफिसर सी होचंदे ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल फोरम रो चेयरमैन. So being the
grievance redressal forum chairman is not the
पाखु complaint ताको पाखु गला
complaint जीवस ना, but can he remove a person?
नहीं रिमूव से करना
remove
से करना रिमूव पार्ट होची सब कलेक्टर एथरे कहले ना
collector is the authority, he can remove.
सब मु कहूची से सेथरे से कहउचन जे जेहेतु पंचायत होची तंगर अपॉइंटिंग अथॉरिटी पंचायत के ना तहसील सरपंच बीडीओ एंड मार्केटिंग इंस्पेक्टर ए तीन जन जाको तार अपॉइंटिंग अथॉरिटी एक्चुअली तंकर सिलेक्शन ता जेतलो हुए ए तीन जन गोटे ना सिलेक्ट करिवे करिकि जो लोकटा सिलेक्ट हला ता नाटा अप्रूवल पई पठेबे कलेक्टर उटा कलेक्टर बीइंग द अप्रूविंग अथॉरिटी. Here my argument is the collector being the approving authority, collector or sub collector. collector authorize करिवे, सब collector को either से निजे करिवे ना सब collector को authorize करिवे.
What is your,
He being the
what is your any, what is your guidelines?
so
There must be
collector
some guidelines.
or sub collector दीटा जक मु सेट में कहूची
Where
collector
is the guideline?
my lord that has been I have annexed B/3.
Copy,
B/3 of my reply man.
copy on me has not been.
हम दे दूँ.
अरे रोहन सब कौन कॉपी सब उधर खाली कॉपी कॉपी करछ कुछ जिंस जान तो कोन कोड गाइडलाइन
B/3 page 5 man. Got it?
page
5.
5 of counter.
No, 5 of my additional affidavit. Affidavit filed on 4/8/2023.
Page 5.
Page 5 man. Clause 5 टा.
Just a minute. A3 ना कितने कहले? A3.
B/3.
B/3. Okay. Come to that. Yes.
Procedure for appointment of Jogana Sahayak JS by GPs.
Sir, this is procedure appointment. I want procedure for removal.
हाँ मो as say that it अच्छी pra.
Actually, go to the
The
state
sil-
card come to that. Why all this?
The
State
select
come to this
मो आपसे.
removal.
The selection will be based on the carrier marking with weightage of mark.
सारा से selection में करी most of removal दरकार. Don't
एक-
waste time and all reading all necessary details. Come straight to the removal part.
A committee under the chairmanship of এটা হচ্ছে এই part এইটুকু পড়ে দউছ খালি. A committee under the chairmanship of BDO with MI marketing inspector.
So
as
that is
convener
fine.
and
I am
concerns
not
of-
disputing.
Say-
I
say-
am
say your-
asking you a question. Who is the authority which is vested with the power to remove? Come to that.
I am coming to this matter. Concerned Sarpanch of GP as member will do the selection and provide the panel of
Here
3
you
names.
don't have this removal thing.
Right,
I have
3
read already. I have read it.
Again.
Where is the removal? It is not there.
The collector, sub-collector.
So you get the removal thing.
I am
You
saying
take-
that, I am saying the being the approval authority, here the collector has.
No, not necessary. Approval authority is not the removal authority, sir. What are you saying?
Then your lordship may pass.
The authority which is the power to appoint, that may be the removal
No,
authority.
here the appointing authority is GP.
Then you take, no, you take an instruction. That concept of the state to take an instruction from the secretary from the department regarding the procedure for, no, just hold on. Procedure for removal of
Of the
the
GRS.
And who is the competent authority to disengage / remove / terminate the GRS. Hello? Okay. About এটা নেই গেছে. Next.
Great.
Next.
Item number 24.
It is that area. That 21st first. 21st. Next.
24.
On to your lordship's last order, I was directed to furnish the detailed particulars about the functioning of a GRF within the licenses area, my lord. My lord, I am
Functioning of?
licenses area.
No, functioning of what?
Grievance redressal forums
Oh, grievance redressal.
meant for electrical consumers for redressal.
पूरा कौन तो मुझे GRS से confuse ही होची. अब पूरा ठीक कोई देले भालो. एते short form मैं जानी नहीं. I am very
Grievance
poor in short
redressal
form.
forum.
Yeah, please.
But so far this NESCO area is concerned, TPNODL, Northeastern Electricity Supply
Who is for
Company.
the petitioner?
Well, I am the petitioner.
Oh,
I am not the opposite party on your lordship. I am opposite party, just one.
Okay.
My lord.
I am on BC, my lord.
Your lordship.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Your
I
lordship.
saw you. I saw you.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, your lordship's directed that by order dated 12/7/2023, whether the grievance redressal forum established under section 42(5) of the Electricity Act 2003 are functional in all the electrical circles of the state or not. Whether all the members of the grievance redressal forum are available or not, and how many days they function in a week, what is the official working time and the said forums, and what are the number of cases filed in different forums, and what is the status of pending or disposal of each of the forums, my lord. My lord, in obedience to your lordship's order, my lord,
I have filed this affidavit stating, my lord, that there are two grievance redressal forums functioning in UNESCO area. So far, Northern Electricity Supply Company is concerned, my lord. So far, these two forums, that is one at Jajpur Road, grievance redressal forum at Jajpur Road. Other one is at Baleswar, my lord. And so far, Jajpur Road is concerned, my lord. It consists of two electrical circles, my lord. One circle is the electrical circle Keonjhar, and comprising of three divisions, that is KED Keonjhar, JED Joda, and Anandapur electrical division. Then another electrical circle is, my lord, electrical circle Jajpur Road. It is comprising of, my lord, three divisions: Jajpur Road electrical division, Jajpur Town electrical division.
Okay.
And
That's fine. That's fine. Here, you basically what does the PLA say?
Permanent Lok Adalat.
PLA, what does
The
it say?
consumer moved the permanent Lok Adalat instead of raising his grievance before the grievance redressal
So
forum.
he has not gone to the grievance redressal forum.
No, he has not gone. Consumer has two remedies, my lord. One, first 42(5), he has to move the GRF, and what are the proceedings to be enumerated before the GRF? That
Notice has
is,
been issued here in this case.
my lord.
Notice has been issued now.
Yes, my lord, he has
My
appeared.
lord, yes, I have appealed. I may be permitted to file
Yes, sir.
a.
One thing.
My lord.
In fact, the order of PLA is wrong. I am setting it aside. Please
Oh,
approve
my lord,
hold on. Just hold on. Just because permanent Lok Adalat passed the order, it is not can't be every time correct. There are some mistakes in the order also. I am setting aside this order. You approach the grievance redressal forum. If they don't, I mean, if you are not satisfied with the order, then you can approach the appropriate
Further remedy before the ombudsman, which is
My lord, I may be pardon to mention.
Recently, one South Court
I
case.
just to praise your lordship. I will file a counter detail what my learned friend is telling. That is not correct. I will file a counter affidavit.
Where is your counter?
Yes, I will file a counter which I have not yet filed.
You are filing or you have filed?
No, I am not filing. I will file your lordship.
Why have you not filed the counter then?
Sorry, my lord. Excuse
Why have
me.
you not filed the counter?
My lord, excuse me.
Why? I don't excuse anybody.
I will file.
Those who don't file the counter in time, I don't
Your lordship, even next day I will file the
on 12/7, sir, in 1 month before notice was issued. You are supposed to file a counter 1 or 2 pages. Can't you do that?
Sorry, my lord.
Then sorry, then I am passing order then without your counter.
I will.
These are small cases. I don't want to unnecessarily.
21, my lord.
No, it is a great case. Your lordship, it is a big case for me. Lordship, kindly permit me to file a counter.
Then if you are so serious, it is a big case for you, then why didn't you file the counter?
Only 7 days kindly.
Nothing, no time. I am passing order.
No, my lord, excuse me for the last time. I just beg to
1 month time is granted. Why did you file the counter? This is a very small case. Hardly take two minutes to finish.
My lord, I do agree with you, my lord. Just 7 days time so that I will file a counter. Just 7 days. No, I don't want many more time. Kindly allow me.
1 week time is the last chance. 1 week time is granted to the petitioner.
Opposite party one.
List the matter. Sorry, opinion one. I'm so sorry. Opinion one to file the counter 24th.
My lord, my lord.
25.
My pleasure, my lord. The petitioner is an non-government organization challenging the action of the opposite party, my lord, especially the action of the OP4, wherein the petitioner has been debarred from participating in the general body meeting as well as getting fund, my lord.
What is the issue?
My lord, my lord, the present petitioner is the member of association, that is Forum for Prevention of Road Accident. And that was
Forum for Orissa Road Safety Society. What is that? Correct.
My lord,
what is the correct name?
My lord, the petitioner is a member of the Odisha Road Safety Society, and the proprietor of this petitioner is also a chief functionary of the Forum for Prevention of Road Accident.
Proprietor? What proprietor?
The secretary, my lord.
Society is proprietor.
That is wrong, my lord.
Come second, when are you uttering a word? Please be careful.
My lord,
it's not a proprietorship farm.
My lord, sorry, my lord.
Then why are you using word proprietor?
Sorry, my lord.
Society is either it is represented the president or secretary.
Secretary.
And then why are
And
they
secretary of this present petitioner
Hmm.
is a chief functionary of the association that is Forum for Prevention of Road Accident.
Hmm.
That was registered under the FCRA since.
Then what happened?
My lord, since Lordship kind plans to annexure 3 page 23.
What happened? You tell me in oral.
The
Orally. Ago orally 2 minutes kogi minute
My
koiba
lord,
tapre
the
annexure
Ministry of Home Affairs
Ah.
directed the state government to conduct inquiry
Yes.
because the functionaries of this present petitioner along with other has amassed a lot of money.
Who?
The present petitioner, because the secretary of this present petitioner organization
So
was
you, the secretary, you are the secretary.
my lord.
So
And
you have amassed a lot of money.
my lord, that
So
was the allegation.
How?
That was the allegation.
How?
Because
What is your source of income?
by getting foreign contribution.
Foreign contribution.
My lord, that was the allegation.
How much foreign contribution you get annually?
My lord, that I will bring, my lord.
Just for my knowledge.
Only single 1 crore something, my lord.
1 crore.
My lord,
1
something.
crore. Good amount.
My
How do you
lord.
spend the money?
My lord,
How do you spend the money?
in conducting various activities, my lord,
What activity you do?
and traffic related program, road
Traffic
safety.
related program means what? What exactly you do? Tell me.
My lord, how to check the road accident and
How to check the road accident? You check
my
the
lord,
road accident.
my lord.
How?
That is the chief function of this organization.
No, how do you check? Just let me some idea. Let me have some idea. What are you exactly what you do? Tell me. You check road accident. I don't know. Road accidents are not checked. in
My
the
lord,
state.
lordship.
How?
That
Just
lordship.
give some idea. How do you check them?
But causing awareness program relating the not to meeting and symposium and not to drink with the drive and drink,
Ah.
seat belt, these activities.
And foreign countries are giving so much money. That's
My lord, that was the report, my lord, inquiry report.
So you MS the money.
That was the allegation.
You MS the money.
That was the allegation, my lord. And accordingly, the
FCRA is withdrawn.
my lord, no, my lord, FCR has not been returned. And accordingly, the
Nowadays government is very fond of withdrawing the FCRA.
my lord,
So
inquiry
if
has
you
been
don't work,
conducted.
your
My
FCRA.
lord, inquiry has been conducted by the ADM Cuttack. Inquiry report showed that I have not got a single money. That is, my lord, page 40, my lord. And
If any person is not doing properly, FCRA will be withdrawn. You'll be
my lord, interestingly, my lord,
your society registration may also be cancelled.
my lord, interestingly, my lord, allegation is against Forum for Prevention. I am Supratibha. Now today, my lord, I am know about the function of that Forum for Road Accident. I am independent on the basis of the allegation of the private truck owner association. The transfer commissioner debarring me without giving any notice from getting any fund or attending any meeting. Lordship, kindly have a glance to that order passed to the transport commissioner. That is page 32, my lord. Page 32. 32 last portion, my lord. Heading 16 others. Point B. Keeping in view of the inquiries made by Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India Foreign Division against Sri Vikas Mahapatra and Srimati Minati Bindhani of FPRA NGO activists, who has 2 more NGOs in the name of Supratibha and Women and Child Welfare Society, it was decided in the meeting that they will not be allowed for any financial support for any kind of road safety activities. The NGO Supratibha and Women and Child Welfare Society are the members of the general.
Have you heard a word? Just when a person
my lord,
who is here in this case,
my lord,
here is the secretary of one organization,
my lord,
and he is also the member of another organization.
my lord.
Have you heard a word called alter ego? Have you heard alter ego?
No.
No. So you are maybe the organization, this organization of your secretary of this organization. Your alter ego is there.
My lord, Lordship, come to the inquiry report, my lord. Page 40. Page 40 inquiry report. Lordship, that is relevant person. Page 41. Point 7 on perusal of the documents furnished by the firm, it is observed that amassed lot of rupees, lot of property during last 10 to 15 years by illegal and unfair way cannot be established since the firm has not received any fund from government, central or state government. My lord, when has been conducted and it is found that I have not received any single one from the state government. So on the basis.
State government or central government?
State
You have
government.
received from money from foreign country.
Well, there is no allegation for foreign government. Allegation that
Foreign government thodi allegation kariyo.
my lord, allegation that I have amassed, but inquiry report reveals that I have not amassed a single pie.
Can you read it again? Which page?
Page 41.
41.
Page 41.
I am not getting it. Where is 41?
Page 41. Page 41.
Can you read it?
On perusal of documents furnished by the firm, it is observed that amass of a lot of property during last 10 to 15 years by illegal and unfair way cannot be established since the firm has not received any fund from government, within bracket central government or state government. My lord, then lordship can be returned to the allegation made by the private token institution, OP number 4. Page 26, my lord. Page starting from page 25. On the letter of the private token association, the OP number 4 is debarred me. And since after when I have requested that since inquiry has been completed and my order may be revoked, they passed under annexure 10 debarring me, my lord. That is relevant portion in the previous page 48, my lord. And my lord, interestingly, in the meantime, I filed affidavit that in the meantime, my FCRA, the FCRA of the present Suprativa has been renewed and by inquiry conducted by the Home Department. I filed affidavit, my lord. I am reading, my lord.
So the Truck Owners Federation has written letter against you.
Yes, my lord. On the, I have no nexus. Suprativa has no nexus with Forum for Prevention of Road Accident.
But how do you say no access? You are their member. You just now you are saying you are member.
My lord, from I have
Sir, just because you have just left that organization, your everything goes.
Well, inquiry shows that I have not amassed. Inquiry as conducted by the IDM on the direction of the Home Department, I have not amassed a single property, my lord.
Why not the inquiry conducted?
Inquiry conducted, my lord, that is. Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 23, the initiation of the inquiry, my lord. Page 23.
Date I am asking.
Date, my lord, that is
4/12/2022.
That is inquiry report 17 on 7/12/2020. Inquiry report page annexure page 40. 7/12/2020.
What do you say?
And my lord, they filed counter.
We have filed counter.
They filed counter affidavit.
So,
Counter and he has filed an additional affidavit yesterday. I have not brought that.
Forget the copy part. Unnecessary you
I have to take instruction regarding renewal.
I am asking
What is the
you.
status?
I am asking you. So what do you think that he has MS money?
As it reveals from
your stand.
My lord, as it reveals from the inquiry report,
no.
It is clearly stated that no central government or state government, whether there is any foreign aid or that has to be.
That part.
That has to be.
That for inquiry is mentioned, my lord.
So then your what is it not renewed now?
My lord,
It has been renewed provisionally, but not.
No, my lord, no, my lord. I filed affidavit, my lord. I filed affidavit by.
Who has not renewed?
No. The license is renewed for 6 months provisionally.
I know who
He has
who renews it.
Home Department.
Affidavit, page 2 affidavit, my lord.
Just answer my query. So the Home Department has not renewed.
Yes, it has been renewed. I filed affidavit, my lord.
I am asking him. Why are you just
my lord?
No, my lord. His license is now provisionally renewed, but he has to apply afresh for fresh renewal.
Then apply.
My lord, I have applied, my lord. I am reading, my lord. That the petitioner
Has it
having
been rejected?
No, my lord.
I am asking, has it been rejected?
No, my lord.
Then why have you
my
come here?
application is pending since long.
Why have you come here?
My lord.
Why have you come here?
I am coming against I have no grievance against the central government.
I am asking, why have you come here?
I have come because, my lord, illegally on the basis of the third party allegation, I have been debarred from attending the general body meeting of the Road Safety Society, to which I was member.
The grievance is not with respect to the government. You are just the internal mechanism.
against the transport commissioner, because transport commissioner is the chairman of the Odisha Road Safety Society, and I am being the member, I have been debarred, my lord. The transport commissioner, the minor spark, the transport commissioner.
So where is that order?
That is my lord,
Which order are you challenging?
my lord. That is
Hmm.
annexure 6 and annexure 10, my lord. Annexure 10, that is page 32.
Hmm.
of last portion, keeping in view of the inquiry made by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, Foreign Division against the Vikas Mahapatra and Srimati Minati Bindani of FPRA, NGO activist who has.
What is your answer, Mr.?
So I am appearing for the.
What is your answer?
But the society has taken a decision, not the commissioner has not taken as an individual capacity. Your lordship kindly.
No. Question is, if there is nothing, the ADM has given the inquiry report where he didn't find anything.
But that might be may not be available before the society, but he has avoided here. But because your lordship kindly see the decision taken in view of that letter, he has been
No,
debarred.
on what basis you came to the conclusion that this person has amassed a lot of money?
That
On
is
what
not-
basis? Just because a person wrote a letter?
No, my lord, that is in page 49, your lordship kindly.
I'm asking, sir, don't take me to read this page, that
Yeah,
way.
in
Answer
view
my
of-
question
in
in
view of-
short.
in
I am
view-
asking on what basis your commissioner came to a conclusion that this person has got a lot of money from foreign fund or whatever, he has amassed a lot of money. How? On what basis?
Since allegation is there and this
Sir, I'm asking on what basis?
without any basis, my lord, because of the.
What
letter-
basis? Did you investigate? What is your report?
But,
Answer my question.
no investigation.
If you have not investigated into the matter, if you have not, I mean, just no committee was set up to
But the,
find out what is
collector is
there.
directed
On
to-
what basis you have, you came to the conclusion that this person has done this? How? Tell me.
That I will take.
That is important, this aspect. Just
But I
because
will
some
take it.
person, he is a thief, he does this, he is a terrorist, you are terrorist.
Decision shows in. view
What
of-
decision, sir? On what basis you are taking decision? There should be some reasoning to the decision.
My lord.
Then, just
No,
because
I will take
some person writes a complaint against somebody, how could you take decision against?
My lord, I will take instruction on what basis that
Ah.
decision has been taken. Whether any material before the.
Of
society
course,
or-
without material, how can you
Ma-
take such decision?
Yes.
ତାହେଲେ ତ ସମସ୍ତେ against ଲେଖିଥିବେ ଏତେ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ସେ ଲୋକ ଗଲା
That's illegal. My lord, I will.
without anything, you just write like that. Not concept of the state to take this section as to
State Transport Commission.
Transport Commissioner. Transport Department to take instruction on the issue of
I mean, permitted, there is some discrepancy.
ଆପଣ କିଏ?
I am appearing from that was.
ଆପଣ କିଏ?
Opposite bet number 7.
କିଏ ଆପଣ?
Secretary Truck Owner Federation.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲୋକସ କଣ ଏଠି? ଆପଣ କିଛି ଲୋକସ ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବିନି ଆପଣ। ଆପଣ ଥାଆନ୍ତୁ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦରକାର ପଡିଲା ମୁଁ କିଛି ପଚାରିବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ। ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ ଆଣିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କାମ ସେତିକି।
Just I was saying that the central government inquired first, thereafter letter issued.
अरे sir, central government inquiry found nothing.
Month of August, but
Found
the letter is
nothing.
month of September.
No, found nothing.
Yes,
I
my
say
lord, that is in this petition.
କିଛି ପାଇନି।
ए आगे इंक्वायरी हला ता अगेंस्ट तापर चिठीटा जाइछि
କିଏ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କଲା?
होम डिपार्टमेंट यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया
କାହା ଥ୍ରୁରୁ କଲା?
अनेक्सर 3 रे अछि
କାହା ଥ୍ରୁରୁ କଲା?
एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी टू गवर्नमेंट ओडिशा होम स्पेशल सेक्शन
କଣ ଲେଖିଛି ସେଥିରେ?
लिखिजंती इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर एसोसिएशन नेमली फोरम फॉर प्रिवेंशन ऑफ रोड सेफ्टी एसोसिएशन अपना नगर कटक द अंडरसाइन डायरेक्टेड टू स्टेट दैट द कैप्शनड एसोसिएशन has applied registration under foreign conflict
ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ? ଫାଇନାଲ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ ଟା ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ
फाइनल फाइंडिंग 7 अगस्त 19 रे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर देला स्टेट गवर्नमेंट
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅର୍ଡର କିଏ କାହାକୁ କଲା? I am not list bothered about who has ordered whom. My question is what is the finding of the order? କିଛି ଅଛି ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ? Finding
Inquiry
कौन
କରିବାକୁ direction ଦେଲେ।
direction देले कोनटा हेगला finding अछि कोन कोन finding ना कोन कोन
they have gathered
किछि finding नहीं खाली बिना इयर खाली आपण बस गुडे एप्लीकेशन दे देले तापर जण खराब हेगला
that might be but
that might be what without finding how can the government will take a such decision without finding without investigation जर काहा को भी आपण किछि कहि देबे से हिजिबो आपण मु लिखि देबी he is a thief big time thief हेगला आपण thief बिना
they have gathered
investigation
some information that's why they have inquired. They have passed out
where the inquiry report says nothing
my lord
they have not
they have
this government
directed
fund
to
नहीं
inquiry.
निश्चित कहीं हेगला government fund से नहीं नाहंती तो
Yes, government fund नहीं just one line
अरे
में
सर unnecessary जिनसे कहंदो
my lord 1 minute
nothing
जो
please
para 7 से पढ़ले para 6
nothing is there sir I'm not allowing you to
कोटिए 27 लक्ष नहीं
sorry
चाहिए
sorry next आपण नियंतु ହେଲା if find out कोटिए 27 लक्ष पाले गवर्नमेंट इंक्वायरी रिपोर्ट करी खाली जने कर देना
नॉर लिखा है इसमें।
next list the matter on 29th ras
Interim not to continue, my lord.
interim not to continue
Both the
next,
matter.
next both yes your fee should be protected okay fine next
And second item, I am for the opposite pad number 1.
नंबर दे देंतु समझ ना ना दे देंतु ना सब दे देंतु you give the name to the court master कागज लिखि देंतु ना हला next item
26.
26
Contempt has been complied. The order has been complied.
complied
Yes, my lord.
so close close so you are for the petitioner madam you are for the petitioner
Sorry, my lord.
27 ने कहउछन।
Sorry, my lord.
एटा को स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एटा कौन थिला इशू एटा
rent.
हां
Any area rent.
that building
My lord, on behalf of
can you just refresh I'm just forgetting
Bank has taken lease of the premises of the petitioner.
bank has taken release our pre mic pakko asunandi हां
Bank has taken lease.
on करो ए खाली पॉइंट हटाई दे मटे अननेसेसरी बार क्रिएट कुछ
I was thinking, say, when my turn was
I
coming, the Chief Justice Court is looking.
no
at
no
how
I'm
to get
I'm
court.
also thought in that way remove
That was a
it
compulsion at that time. There is no
My lord,
compulsion now.
this weekend you just remove it why there will be gap unnecessary the bar
No, the Chief Justice Court is removed. It's all. And
when corona will come we'll see
And another thing, your lordship are direct to remove this table. This is very inconvenient. No one is saying I know, and I'm not the president of the association. Nobody has requested.
no
me.
this is
I myself is feeling. I mean,
space is less
yes, like the Chief Justice, the old say the table, small table, because one can read here.
That's correct.
One cannot read here. How can somebody read
correct
when somebody matter is not there? The way the old time is there, it is still.
years of practice you have put in?
4 years.
4 years, sufficient. 27 years.
Your order has been complied.
Order has been complied.
Complied?
Yes,
Ma'am. Amount has been paid.
Okay.
I have
So,
filed
non
in
counsel for the petitioner
I have filed in this, filed an affidavit, my lord,
submits that.
with his acknowledgement of receipt.
The order passed by this
Said
court
the-
on which order?
My lord, order dated 18/4/2022.
18/4/2022. 18/4. 22.
22. Man, that first order passed in the read petition,
Read
that is there. Here, my lord, is
The affidavit.
affidavit টা দিও।
দেখো land council for the this is this Jayamalya Satpathy is
Bala Satpathy is, she is there, as per direction he was present,
but she's you are the bank manager.
bank manager.
Land council for the petitioner submit that the order passed by this court on 18/4/2022 in the petition civil number 40749 of 2021.
479, 47.
47, not 0.
4047.
40 ভুল লিখেছেন তাহলে
40479.
4047
40749.
হ্যাঁ আমি তো কହୁଛି ଆପଣ 40749 ମୁଁ ସହିତ କହୁଛି I'm reading, I'm not completing, I'm still in between you are saying.
Sorry, sir.
40749 of 2021 has been complied with, it has been complied by the bank. Land council, the opposite party has also filed an affidavit stating that the order passed by this court on 18/4/2022 has been complied with. Matter.
Receipt has been attached. Receipt is attached, payment receipt. Last.
And he has also attached the payment receipt along with the affidavit. This affidavit is kept in the file. In view of the above, the contempt is dropped. Disposal.
Obliged.
The presence of the container is cancelled. Next.
Item number 30.
30. 30.
I'm for the opposite party, number 3 bank. Petitioner is.
Bank, who is
No.
for the petitioner? Who is for the petitioner? No. No one appears for the petitioner. This is the matter on 18th September.
31.
The appearance may be noted. My appearance may be noted.
Yeah.
Obliged.
Next.
This is
31.
inconvenient, man. I was going to say, this is inconvenient.
You are for?
I am for the contestant
person
respondent
who has
number
very
5.
Conveniently.
Your lordship may call
Conveniently
she.
delayed my disengagement
No, no.
from 16. Here, I will say so.
Your
Before-
lordship may kindly
Can
speak
I
the
not-
order dated.
Sir, take a distance.
right.
A
The whole-
problem with a weekend, will remove everything. So
Yes.
mic will be removed. Don't worry.
No, no, Mike.
So you
I am the contestant opposite party.
you sit down, please.
Yes. Only I.
Please sit down.
Only order dated.
Let me first hear the petitioner, then I'll call you when your turn comes. Okay, please sit down. Please sit down.
Only order. Your
Please
lordship.
sit down, sir.
I will
I
sit.
sit
I
down.
will only, I
Please
will only
sit
show
down.
orders only.
If
Why
the
is there a hurry,
director.
sir, I'll
state-
give you time.
State has to file a counter. That's what the
Sir,
order.
Let's
sit
file.
down. I'll hear you. Why are you worried? The state will say, why are you worried? The state, why
So only
are
the-
the spokesperson
My
of
lord,
the
I will.
state?
May I please?
So you have
Here,
filed your reply.
This is the nature I'm the person.
Counter, there are additional affidavit we have.
Okay.
But sorry, my lord.
First, let the petitioner.
नहीं sir कहिबे मु खाली मु जानि नि मु कहना मो order sheet किसी ने reflect करने whether
That-
I have
that-
soft
that-
copy to my lord and
Say
senior
that
appeal
the
for
whole point is that I was going to say about the functional, I mean, the function of the state and their authorities and their representative here. Here the petitioner who was engaged after being duly selected, adopting all procedures, including the procedure of objection of the resident. She was appointed. And
Supervisor.
now after.
This is not supervisor.
No, Anganwadi worker. The petitioner was appointed being selected as Anganwadi worker. Thereafter, the contesting opposite party, it is a case of 2016, my lord. If your lordship see from the order, at that time, my lord, from Justice S.N. Prasad wanted to dispose of very shortly, but the bench changes and this going on, all these things, the various things. I will come step by step, I will place before lordship.
So on 20th January 2016, he was disengaged.
No, after knowing the case of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the Sonpur people did it in 2016. I was selected. I was engaged. And I have come here, approached the writ petition that I was continuing. But disengagement order reached so fast that it cannot be imagined. And I am disengaged and I was disengaged from 16. And the person who is not entitled, was not selected, is continuing in the service. Only on the ground, even though he herself is not of the catchment area, only on the ground, in a baseless ground, that I am not from the area in question.
So that
The ADM file in an interpolated document and from without scrutinizing anything, relied on that interpolated document and said that I am not the resident of the locality. I mean, with that area, because Anganwadi Center too.
The selected candidate also not
Yes,
candidate.
with all respect, my submission is that with this person, with the connivance of some office people, they manipulated overwritten. Kalia Jagare Lalia, something. I will show it. And thereafter, your lordship can see the order from February 2016 orders, your lordship can see how fast it was going. Thereafter, it went out of order. Then your lordship can see the order dated 18/10/2022.
18/10.
Wherever there is manipulation of Sonpur Jilla, the record is missing. This is one case. Another Anganwadi worker is also there. And the collector has not responded till today, nor in the additional affidavit they have filed today. I mean, last occasion. And he is sitting very comfortably, enjoying his or her jamindaris. In the counter affidavit submitted that the original Annex 5 is not available. In the records, Office of the CDPO Barrager is highly surprising in the original of a particular document is not available, which purports to be a part of the official record. Then your lordship can see. Lord Counsel,
That record is not available, sir.
and they admit in the counter, that I belong to that area.
Gets vanished, what? If it
The
doesn't
conductor
suit
is
you-
directed to make an inquiry, held responsibility. They have filed a counter affidavit without going through the order. This is with all respect to this, I don't know what I will say. And if I will say something, they say that they are saying, he's saying. And what I will say with this? If this order is there and the collector is sitting for 1 year, who will compensate the deprivation of the present petitioner in case he succeeds? Your lordship has directed the such document is not traceable. It's let inquiry be conducted by the collector Suvarnapur in the regard, if necessary, to fix responsibility of the concerned officials. And they have filed the counter affidavit, I mean additional affidavit, they say. Additional affidavit, they have sought copy more 5/1/2023.
Come to a
I-
counter.
it is not necessary.
First,
No, your lordship can see their admission in the counter affidavit filed by the state. They admit that I belong to that area.
State, that is OP number of
This OP
State-
number 4.
OP number 4,
CDPO.
35 to 38.
Yes.
This is by who is this?
CDPO, madam.
Sunjurani Mishra.
Sanju Rani Mishra.
So what does it see?
There your lordship can see paragraph 8. In view of this, Lord the Justice, Lord this is S.N. Prasad was about to dispose of within a short time. But incidentally, the assignment changed and it all went confusion because of this type of submission with all respect to my land friend. It's a simple case of
Yeah,
interpolation.
Yeah, this is these Anganwadi, all these things, this is a matter of 2 minutes.
Exactly,
disposal case.
exactly, madam.
Unnecessary counter.
On perusal of the said
legender,
survey
survey
report,
all
it
this
indicates
wasting
there
time.
has been overwriting in the respect of the name of the father-in-law of the present petitioner. The name of the father-in-law of present petitioner is Kalia. And your lordship kindly see the, I have annexed, how it is interpolated only my name.
So the father-in-law of the present petitioner is not Kalia.
No, he is Kalia, but they have interpreted something else.
Ralia.
Survey report is Ralia.
Ralia.
It is, there must be K sometimes slightly.
No, it's clear interpolation, my lord. Your lordship kindly see the Xerox of
The same is correct because the actual survey report which was
and the ADM could not see. He was also blood arranged, and he passed the order and and they acted very fast. That I could only know that this fast action could be made when I saw the disengagement of Mr. Rahul. 24 hours disengaged, passed order, and after 24 hours he lost.
Only with respect to the this,
Rest.
Residential, nothing else.
Rest. And also I filed a petition by virtue of the marriage also. Alternatively, she is also not a resident of the now local area by virtue of the marriage. The whole point is that I have also filed additional affidavit, your lordship kindly see. I am a voter. Before that I was a voter. I have given the voter list.
Additional affidavit
by the present petitioner.
Flag B.
Yes, flag B.
Yes, what do you file here?
Your lordship kindly see the paragraph 3, that in pursuant to advertisement number such and such, after submission of application by the candidates, objection were invited by the authority. Accordingly, the petition of number 5 and 6 were filed their objections. In the basis of the objection, petitioner, the CPT such and such, directed supervisor Musundi area to inquire into and submitted a report. Therefore, the supervisor Musundi was visited the village and inquired into the matter and submitted an inquiry report stating that in that infinity, Momina Mishra was stayed with her family members under old Anganwadi Center number 1 area. After publication of advertisement 147/26/12 of this office, she was initially staying at Bongomunda area by making a thatched house, but since then she had a plot in the Anganwadi Center number 2 area. Thereafter, due to delay in selection, now she is residing there by making a house. At that time, the supervisor and the CDPO visited the said area and knew it from the villagers. It is also mentioned that the Chatilimunda Bongamunda's 2 Anganwadi Center was created by taking some houses from ward number 22 and some houses from ward number 23. True copy of the said inquiry report is annexure 6. Your lordship kindly see the annexure 6.
Annexure 6.
आद्य 14/12 तारीख सदरे ग्राम परिषद केंद्र नंबर 122 आवेदन करिथिबा आवेदनकारी विरुद्ध होइथिबा अभियोग गुड़िक उपर तदंत करी जणाई गला जे ममिना मिश्र प्रथमे सच जरूर करथिले उक्त व्हिच आई हैव स्टेटेड इन माय पिटिशन देन योर लॉर्डशिप कैन सी द होल ऑफ द स्टेट उक्त विज्ञापन संख्या सच तांकर स्थान बंगमुंडा थिबारु से हठात आसी सेठारे प्रोग्राम झुमुंडिया करी रहउथिले तापर चयन झुमुंडिया करी चयन प्रक्रिया विलंब घटिबारु वर्तमान से सेठारे घर तयारी कर रहउचंदी सो एट दैट टाइम शी वाज नॉट देयर से समय रे मध्य परिदर्शक करी
that other candidate selected candidate
yes they have all your lordship can see who have signed so and that voter list I have given annexure 7
yes
these have my name also there that is I have stated in the counter affidavit this is
the serial number
my lord the 3311 ward number 77 and the name of no sorry on the Padan such and such that the petitioner found place serial number 47 and his father's serial number is 38
47
man
42 after that straight 85 side side oh acha okay
so the your lordship kindly see the interpolation
okay
and the collector he will not fix up and I have given I am supplied with a copy if at all they lost it they should how it is the document the record is manufactured on the basis of the admitted documents so the whole point is that they file affidavit that I belong to the area the counter affidavit I shown to your lordship the state filed by the they have clearly stated that I belong to that area And the survey report, everything, voter list, everything shows.
So what are the laws they're saying?
Because of that interpolation, he said that she's not there.
No, which document is lost you are saying?
That survey report, original survey report,
Original survey report.
That is lost. So,
and they have not stated anything in this affidavit
if it
also.
is lost, then on what
For which-
basis they are saying that?
For which that
Just, if it is lost, how do you know that this person was belonging to that area or not that area? How do you?
one Xerox copy of was there, my lord, record. From that, they have come to a conclusion. Be that as it may, my lord, I am suggesting one thing, my lord. Your lordship may direct the, as it was.
No,
your
no
lordship
further
already
direct, my lord.
Directed the Tahsildar Kendrapada day before yesterday. Like this, your lordship may direct the Tahsildar to personally inquire into the matter and submit a report.
No.
That will suffice the
When
purpose.
collector is directed to make inquiry and fix responsibility, now Tahsildar and the next date will be the peon.
Again,
With all respect, my lord.
Just
With all respect, my lord.
I'm not doing anything, simply one thing. See, the report they have, in the report they have, this because of these K and R, there is a, because of that, this is smaller, this is confusion. There can't be I don't think in that area, any name is Ralia can be.
No,
name
then
of
nobody.
anybody.
I filed affidavit
Or
also.
Kalia, not
No
Ralia.
man in existence the name of this interpolated name.
Can't be Ralia.
Huh.
Because maybe because of, see, it's an old record, sometimes take a photocopy, so it looks like R. But doesn't mean.
This is with the connivance of some clerk. It has been manipulated at the behest of this person who is interested for the post. This Ralia Pradhan, there is no person in the name in the Ralia Pradhan.
Ralia, that name is not there. I don't think Odisha any name Ralia is there. Kalia, I can understand. That's
Because
must be
Gute Tamana
common sense.
change kotale Kalia Kataku Ra
This is
kotale.
common sense. Okay. Yes, what do you say?
And there is absolutely nothing. And for voter list is there, my lord, another thing. At the time of selection, there used to be an objection period also. At that time, nobody objected. Rather, all villagers said that I should be appointed. That is on record. And the state admits that.
Okay, what do you say?
Some,
Don't make a lengthy argument.
No.
It's a shortcut.
no, there
What's the
are
point?
many points, my Lawrence senior.
Many points. No,
Those are vital. I will place your lordship. I have prepared a date chart. That is
I'm
your.
not going to the dead
No,
chart. sir.
that is the
On
vital.
that point, only on residential certificate, nothing else, no dead chart, nothing is required. Straight come to the residential certificate question, nothing else. केवल residential certificate कथा कौन आगे चली एक केस रे किछि नहीं unnecessary dead chart करी उड़े कौन महाभारत पढ़ तू बस dead chart अपन straight ये कौन residential certificate ऊपर कौन.
Then I will place the ADM's order.
Come to ADM's order.
Yes.
Where is that?
That is at page.
Page 20, madam.
Page?
Page 20.
And
20.
Your lordship may kindly.
Page 20.
20.
In the
Yes.
counter, it is
Sir,
running page.
I have got it, page 20, please come to that page. Page 20, Court of the
Start from-
ADM, Sabarnapur.
Your
Anganwadi
your
Office
lordship-
number 1 of 2015.
Your
Yes,
lordship may
please
kind-
come to, which
your-
paragraph?
Your lordship may kind come to page 9. That
I am
is
not going to any page. I am there at the ADM order. Which
Page-
paragraph you are
page
reading?
20.
Yes, I am there at, you just read. Which paragraph you want?
Page 20 of read petition, my lord.
Yes.
Sir, I have already.
That is the impugn
yes,
order, that
20
is
as
the
written
order.
in Annexer 4, Annexer 4.
Yes.
Asantu. Court paragraph padantu. Don't read everything. Only come to that relevant paragraph.
Yes.
Straight come to the paragraph which is relevant. He has written so many things, I don't want to go into that.
Let us examine your running page 28.
20.
8. Read petition.
Sir, why are you taking me to this? Come to first, what is the order of that?
ADM.
ADM, yeah.
Yes, sir, I am in
You invited the attention to the order of ADM.
the relevant portion I am placing my.
Yes,
Yes,
that's what I.
page 28.
20.
20. Internal page 9 of the order.
Okay.
Yes. Last part. Let us examine the case of Srimati Kavita Vishal. the present
28,
picture.
page 28.
28, madam.
17, just. Yes, please.
Last paragraph. Let us examine the case of Srimati Kavita Vishal, wife of Upendra Bhatt, the present petitioner. The residence of her, regarding the residence of her, the CDPO has supplied the voter card, ID card of Kavita Vishal, wife of Upendra Pradhan, village Tentuli Mohada, number so and so, dated 12/1/2011, and so and so, dated and number so and so, Upendra Pradhan of Kalia Pradhan, village Tentuli Mohada, dated 25/3/2002, granted by the Election Commission of India by letter number 1166, dated 9/11/25. That is the CDPO submitted all these
That's fine.
documents
Go
before.
ahead further.
They also supplied the Xerox copy of the resident and nativity certificate granted in favor of Kavita Vishal by Tahsildar Bir Maharajpur. Seen the certificate, the TDR BMpur, Tahsildar BMpur, by miscellaneous certificate number 9665, dated 15/11/2012. Here, that is a point you lordship made, date, particular date. The last date of application was 9/4/2000, 9/4/2012, and the submission, the certificate is dated 15/11/2012. That has to be taken note of.
Okay.
Granted by the residence nativity, mentioning that Srimati Kavita Vishal, wife of so and so, is native of the district Suvarnapur in the state of Orissa, and her family ordinarily resides in village Tentuli Mohada. Further, the miscellaneous certificate number so and so, dated so and so, Tahsildar Birmajpur has granted resident and nativity certificate in favor of Srimati Kavita Vishal, so and so, and her family ordinarily resides in village Tentuli Mohada, Birmajpur. According to the appellant is the present opposite party number 5. According to the appellant, Kavita Vishal is the resident of village Champapur, as her name, including her husband's name and other family members, find place in the voter list of Champapur village under Hilung Gram Panchayat in the year 2012. It is seen that the voter list is published by the State Election Commission. In my view, the voter ID card granted by the ECI have a precedence over the list published by the SC. How can they? Further, the competent revenue authority has granted the resident certificate in favor of Kavita Vishal.
SCC, what is the SCC?
My lord?
SCC, what is the full form?
ECI.
State Election Commission.
State Election Commission. SCC State Election. Further, the competent revenue authority has granted the
State Election Commission has, I mean, there is.
voter list.
Voter list.
Published by the state. Further, the competent revenue authority has granted the resident certificate in favor of Kavita Vishal. Then I will skip and next. Now it is to be seen that whether she, Kavita, belongs to the service area Anganwadi Center 2, Tentuli Mohada, Bhangamunda. Whether she belongs to service area.
Yes.
Tentuli Mohada, Bhangamunda. Because in Tentuli Mohada village, there are two centers. Center number 1 and this is a new center, that is center 2.
Okay.
It is seen from the survey report of Tentuli Mohada, AWC2, prepared by the Women and Child Development Official, that the area commences from the house of Sansara Pradhan and end at the house of Ananta Pradhan, consisting of serial number 1 to 82 numbers of house. In the said list, the name of Kavita Vishal or the name of her husband Upendra Pradhan or the name of her father-in-law have not find place, as her name / husband name, father-in-law mentioned name did not find place in the survey area list of AWC2 of village. Tenthuli Mahada. It can be safely said that she has no place of residence in the service area and she is not residing in service area of AWCC 2, that is Tenthuli Mahada, Bhangamunda. Hence, it is held that Sri Kavita Biswal, Upendra Biswal is a resident of village Tenthuli Mahada as per the certificate granted by the Tahsildar Biempur. But she is not residing in the center area AWC 2-1, that is Tenthuli Mahada. So law is that the rule they have state government has followed, that a candidate must belong to the center area. Maybe here the ADM has held that she belongs to village Tenthuli Mahada. So in Tenthuli Mahada there are two centers. One
I understood, sir.
Bas.
You have told, I understood.
Right.
Yes.
Coming to the claim of Mamina Mishra, daughter of Gundu Gopal Mishra, it is seen, Mamina Mishra is the present opposite party number 5, madam. That the name of her father finds place in serial number 28 of the survey area list of AWC2. Other documents are also available in case record to corroborate the fact that she belongs to the service area of AWC. These are the documents they have cited. Next page, well. The said certificate indicates that Mamina Mishra, daughter of Gundu Gopal Mishra, ordinarily resides in village Tenthuli Mahada, Bhangamunda, PS, Birmatpur, Tahsil, Biempur. This certificate has been granted to her for the purpose of service. As such, it is held that the appellant Mamina Mishra is the resident of village Tenthuli Mahada, Bhangamunda, that is AWC 2, as seen from the notification number so dated 10/3/2011, issued by the government of Odisha in Women and Child Development Department. If eligible candidates from the AWC area are not available, candidates from the village area may be taken. In this case, it is observed that the appellant belongs to
Just one question, sir.
Question.
Your client she's continuing there.
Yes. After her disenagement,
Yes, just
Huh.
one. So she's continuing since when?
16.
Immediate, that's why I submitted immediately after the order.
No.
Like this, the speed in which it is acted at Delhi.
2016.
With that speed. By the time I filed the stay here,
Let me
well,
say it as
just clarify one thing, that by the time I filed along with the stay petition, he had already joined and my friend has said that his stay has become fractured. I have already joined.
Okay, so
That is why it was going to be disposed of.
2016. You are also from that village. You have everything.
Yes.
And not married.
I am.
Your candidate is not married.
No. Yes, married. But she is the only daughter. She is the only
Asking, sir, just do
married.
not in a hurry.
Married.
Married
And
with the same village.
yes.
Same
And,
village.
and staying till death
No,
the
I'm
same.
asking, you are married in the same village or elsewhere.
But no, married, court marriage is but married and staying in the, because she is the only daughter of daughter of Gundu
Why I
Mishra.
filed that.
After his death, only widow mother is there and she is staying in the same village till death. That is there. Then your Lordship,
What else? That's anything you want to
yes,
say?
that is
What do you want to say?
that is my learned friend cited one thing. Your Lordship may kindly see the affidavit of the CDPO.
What is that affidavit?
Affidavit of CDPO, that is opposite party number 4.
That she admits that I am a resident of that area.
Aja, tikke daya karike apno kahin
4, opposite number 4.
Opposite party number 4.
Flag H.
Yes.
Flag H ki?
Aja.
Flag H.
Coach.
Yes,
Is it
yes.
flag H?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes. Your Lordship may kindly see my objection that I have quoted her.
Sir, your objection, first show me the
counter.
the counter of that CDP.
Opposite party number 4.
You say that. Then your objection.
Yes.
Page 36, I will.
Yeah, we just put that.
Serial करते हो बोला 36, 75, 35, 36.
Your Lordship, may kindly paragraph 8.
Why this person, this Sukhdev, who is Sukhdev Hota?
Husband.
Husband has also filed, is it required
she-
for husband to file an
No,
affidavit?
because at that has been explained in
Just I am.
that at that
Is it
point, she
necessary
was
that
pregnant.
husband should file an affidavit?
No, that was that time.
Husband is nowhere related to the case.
Particular she has explained
No,
that
no.
that particular time she was pregnant and she could not move, she could not come here to here. So that has been explained in that same affidavit. That is the reason.
Okay.
Your Lordship, may kindly see paragraph 8 of the page 3 of the affidavit filed by CDPO.
OP number?
OP number 4.
Which I have submitted beginning that they
Ah.
admit that I am a resident of
Yes.
that area.
Yes, OP number 4. Yes. Which paragraph?
Paragraph 8, man.
8.
You'll sugar that.
Yes. This has already been read.
That let me place. That it is respectfully submitted that the Lorraine Additional District Magistrate relied upon the survey report filed before it. Filed by herself.
Okay, just go ahead.
On perusal of the said survey report, it indicates that there has been overwriting in respect of the name of the father-in-law of the present petitioner. CDPO says that the ADM has relied upon the survey report. That survey report was supplied by the CDPO herself. Right, letter number so and so 1166 that I have indicated in that has been indicated in the order. And now she is challenging the ADM's order. CDPO is challenging the ADM's order.
Not really.
On perusal of the said survey report, it indicates that there has been overwriting in respect of the name of the father-in-law of the present petitioner. The name of the father-in-law of the present petitioner is Kalia Pradhan, while in the overwritten survey report, it is written as Ralia Pradhan. It is the statement of the CDPO. The same is incorrect because the actual survey report was prepared on 14/12/2012. Indicates that the name of the father-in-law of the present petitioner is found within the household which are covered under the shared center area. In such view of the matter, rich petitioner is a resident of the survey area of the Anganwadi center in question. Next, it is further submitted that the original of Annexer 5 to the present petition is not available in the records of the office of the CDPO Birmarpur. She is the custodian of the file. She says that original not available. And she submitted the original before the ADM.
The survey record is custodian is the
CDPO, that I'll show.
The survey, this is a survey record by the Women and Child Department.
Yes. Supervisor, advisor.
Okay.
She says that survey report is not available. She is the custodian. That I'll show.
Okay.
That is why this your lordship
Please,
directed
please,
to
please.
make an inquiry and produce the original.
If the survey, just for a small clarification, except the survey report, this so-called Ralia Kalia issue confusion. If Ralia is proved to be Kalia, then this person is also from that area.
Okay.
If Ralia is proved to be Kalia, then this person will be of the same area.
No, there is no question of Ralia, no question of Kalia. It is a story built by the CDPO. That I'll show.
CDPO is a concerned, is a responsible authority. How can story be made?
Yes, responsible to CDPO. Your Lordship may see.
Sir, just because it doesn't suit you, that can't be a story.
This is this letter I am reading.
Whose letter?
That is your Lordship's record.
Whose letter?
This is the letter of the collector.
Where it is there?
No, where it is, listen.
What is the collector?
ଦେଖିବିନି refer କଲେ କୋଉ affidavit
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କପି ଦିଆହେଇଛି
କୋଉ affidavit ପାଉନ କପି ଦେଲେ କଣ
ମୁଁ ତ
ସେଇ କଥା ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ କୁ କହୁଥିଲି
ସାର୍ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ସେ ପେପରଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ on the other day
କୋଉଥିରେ ଅଛି କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ତ ଦେଖିବି
ଖାଲି ଏମିତି ହାତରେ ଦେଲେ
ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ your lordship directed to file an affidavit. Initially I urged before your lordship and your lordship didn't give a patient hearing.
What? I have given you, sir. I don't give
no.
unnecessary
Okay.
thing to be told in my court.
No.
I always focus on the
Well, that is
relevant
the-
things.
that is the
Unnecessary
order.
ଗପ ଶୁଣେଇବେ ମୁଁ ଗପ ଶୁଣେଇବେ ବସିନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା, 24
Straight
ର
ଆଉ
ଭାଇ
ଏ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡିର ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ନା ଏଇଟା 2 ମିନିଟିଆ ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ଏଇଟାକୁ ଅନନେସେସାରୀ ତାକୁ ପୁରା ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ରାହୁଲ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଭଳିଆ ଯୋଉ ଆର୍ଗୁ କରିବେ ମୁଁ
22 ରେ you after the government council filed the inquiry report serving a copy to us your lordship directed
what inquiry report did you file an
collector's
inquiry
report collector's report
collector report
जो
କଣ
जो 18/10 जो
ଆରେ ସାର୍ କପି ମତେ ଦେଲେ ହେ କପିଟା ଦେଖି ଖାଲି ହେରେ ଧରି ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଧରି କଣ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି ନା ଆଉ
जो
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ସେ ଫାଇଲ ରେ ଅଛି
ସରି ସେଟା ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇଗଲା only one issue if is a kalia it ends or where is I don't think anybody in Odisha anybody named Ralia is there always kalia
And all everywhere is there. Voter list no file kurchi. It is not been contradicted by my learned friend. Kalia Padhan. And say ADM টা যদি কালিয়া পদার খুঁজলে পাইবো কোঠু আজ্ঞা সেটা তো কালিয়া পদার তো ওভাররিটিং করিকি সেমানে ম্যানিপুলেট করছেন
ওভাররিটিং ହେଇନି କି ଜମା
আজ্ঞା বর্তমান भी কই যদি 24 ঘন্টা ভিতরে সে রালিয়া পদার ডাকি দেলা আই উইল উইথড্র মাই কেস let the that day one I was submitting
first of all এতে না না থাকে
আজ্ঞা day one I was submitting let the police be directed to give a statement that ralia padan is available there
I don't know
in any of the locality
state government who submitted the report is not placing collector's report
you know everything
one thing the CDPO is the authority to give this kind of survey report.
Yes.
CDPO is the main authority, not the ADM.
Your lordship see the collector what written about
collector
she has the collector has made her responsible for missing of the file
B/4 annex B/4
anyway order reserved
no your lordship
ଆଉ କଣ ଶୁଣିବି ହେଇଗଲା ଆଉ କଣ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ
ଆମେ ରକେଟ ସାଇନ୍ସ ବୋଲି ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିଗଲେ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଏଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ କେସରେ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ only one point
ସେଇ part yes only one clear everything is clear only one point
bas କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଜଲ୍ଦି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଫଟାଫଟ
it is further submitted that the original annexure 5 to the present petition is not available on records of the office of CDPO Birmapur. It is further submitted that this is the point. It is further submitted that since the original survey list dated 1/12/2012 was not available, therefore the selection process was initiated on the basis of the survey report dated
okay get the survey report and ask the state to get the survey report
then
rondu ମୁଁ survey report ମାଗୁଛି
survey report ଟା ଆମେ additional affidavit ଟା ଦେଇଛୁ ସେଟା missing ଅଛି ବୋଲି liability fix ହେଇଛି CDPO ଉପରେ liability fix
nothing doing you have to get that
acha your lordship
original survey report
acha ei connection
the original survey report I will give you short that 3 days I am giving
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ନାହିଁ sir ଏଟା ଆମେ additional affidavit ଦେଇଛୁ
ଜାଣିବା ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ କଣ action ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେବେ
yes exactly
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ collector ଏଟା additional affidavit B/4
hold on the state to I have to find out from that that comes the state to file the original to produce the original survey report
and the entire proceeding from the selection process till it is selection
and also,
everywhere everything is there
your
Rohandu and also the entire proceeding of the selection process along with all
the file
all the records also if the original survey report is not available as stated in the
additional affidavit filed by
not additional affidavit only report I'm a copy file
okay if the original
additional affidavit dated 4/1/2023
my lord with one thing they have stated from the day one it is not available your lordship kindly see the order passed by the
if the original
Justice Prasad
if the original survey report is not available as stated in affidavit dated
4/1/2023
4/1/2023 the
the entire process of selection indicates everything
the collector yes that is also
from the beginning जो application रो आगे village रो जो objection मगा जाए village committee लेखी की दबो
the collector shall inform the court as to what action has been taken against the concerned erring official for not producing the original document.
I beg your pardon collector has already submitted the report
sir let me do my own way
yes.
You can't interfere
no sorry
I can
then only one point out
nothing
no your lordship
let me get the copy Let me find out,
It is-
then matter is over.
It is admitted, they
Sir,
have.
I'm not
Your
asking-
Lordship may see.
I'm
it is-
asking for the document,
Yes, no,
sir.
no, one point has been overlooked. Original survey report is dated 1/11/2012, prepared by the supervisor. Then, admittedly, the CDPO says, since that is not available on the basis of another report.
I am least bothered about what is available. I want original survey. If not available, then
So
what action?
original report dated 1/11/2012.
I am getting the entire document.
Yes,
Ah,
yes.
the entire selection, all the document pertaining to the selection process be made available.
Se application रे दियाची objection मागिचंती village committee बारे recommend करिचंती if I would not have been a man of person of that
Entire document
Yes.
be produced before this court. List the matter on 22nd. 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 22nd 2 PM straight.
ମୁଁ ବି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିବି ଦେବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ପର୍ସନାଲି ଆସିକି appear କରିକି ବୁଝାନ୍ତୁ
ନା ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ଡାକୁନି
ନା ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଦଉଛି
No, no, why should I?
ସେମାନେ actually lordship we have already in my additional
I am
affidavit,
not.
we have
if-
already
If
we have
somebody
already
will carry
issued
and
the show
come,
cause.
that I don't have. I don't want anybody to come and sit here.
ନାଇଁ
Simple.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ ଯେ ତାକୁ କଣ action ନିଆଯାଇଛି show cause ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ but I
So,
have but till date I have no instruction whether she has
Then-
replied that show cause or
then,
not.
She has taken away the file.
Who has?
CDPO.
CDPO.
Yes,
Acha.
that is the collector has given the report. Inquiry करके अपन का direction ने.
Okay, let's see.
तापर
ନେଇକି ଆସୁ।
नहीं नहीं से CDPO फास्ट डिस्मिस होबा कथा जदी फाइल लेची बोली कलेक्टर फाइट को क्रिमिनल केस भी हबा कथा
से कोन
ए तापर आगे पुलिस से पुलिस को पचार दियंतु दैट कंसर्न पुलिस whether एन रालिया प्रधान मैन अवेलेबल इन दैट एरिया और नॉट
रालिया कार्यालय
आई एम डे 1 रो भी कहूची इट इज ऑल
ये जो रिपोर्ट बेस करवा कथा से रिपोर्ट नकर के आगु के रिपोर्ट रे
entire document of the selection process be produced before the court. I'll find out. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
आ सेतिर भी कुआ हैतला जे के सर्वे रिपोर्ट करिवो
Sir, asu. I no further.
आजा
Next.
Lordship 22nd.
हाँ 22nd. 22nd 2 PM.
2 PM.
2 PM. Unnecessary why should we wait whole day. Next.
32.
May I please your lordship? This is also regarding the Anganwadi worker and residents. The
You have. I mean, you have been rejected or you are selected?
have been rejected.
Huh?
I am the rejected.
Rejected.
Yes.
What is the problem?
The problem is that
Direct come to the point.
I am coming
So
to
what
your
is-
lordship has to decide one point that whether a person encroaching on the government land is entitled to be selected as Anganwadi worker without submission of the residential certificate of that Anganwadi area. That point your lordship has to decide. Nothing more, nothing less.
He has encroached the land.
Her family is encroaching a government land and encroachment proceeding has been initiated by the government against her family members and she relies upon the same and the selection process has been made on the that part.
How on the encroachment land?
Your lordship come to,
Just
she has
no, no, no.
herself,
Who? That the selected candidate?
yes, yes.
How on the encroached land the residential certificate?
Your lordship come to their counter, the counter filed by the opposite party number 5.
Ticket counter.
Again, sorry. Again.
Orally. If it is an encroached land, can a residential certificate be issued
No.
on an encroached land?
No.
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 Then how is he could go?
No residential certificate has been issued or produced by the selected person.
Then how on what?
She produced the residential certificate of another area that is Gohirpada. This relates to Sahid Nagar Anganwadi Center. Yes.
Only sir? No.
Sahid Nagar Bhadrak, sir. Yes.
So that is
If-
the only issue.
That is the only
Who is
issue.
the other party? You.
No, no. As
Who is
he
the
is
other
with
party?
me.
Notice Jaini? Notice Jaini?
Madani G Madani.
Huh?
Madani G Madani.
G Madani.
Notice asini?
Sufficient है counter file है your lordship.
Because Soloda. Ah. Okay.
I prepared a short jet chat.
So what do you say, Mr.
Jet chat.
State. You tell me what is the issue. I understood the issue. Just got a point. Kwantu. Tar residential certificate ko basis ra nele. That's it. Kwantu. Etiki matter khatam. 2 minutes.
The Tahsildar Dhamnagar has issued the resident certificate in favor of petitioner. Basic, what happened, my lord? she is encroaching a land, government land since 1950 she is staying
The
there.
selected
हाँ, हाँ,
candidate,
she
selected
selected
candidate.
candidate.
हाँ
1951 ମସିହାରୁ ସେ ସେଠି ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
ନା, ନା, ନା।
but ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ତ ହେଇନି ନା
ନା ନା ରେ
proceeding
it
ଚାଲିଛି
is still recorded in the name of the government.
ହଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଅଛି proceeding ଚାଲିଛି that is illegal anyway ସେଟା ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ ତ ଆମର ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେବନି ତ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ କେମିତି ବାହାରିଲା
ରେସିଡେନ୍ସ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ସେଇ ଏରିଆର ନାହିଁ
how
ନା।
did you get the residential
ନା, ସେ
certificate
ଏରିଆରେ ସେ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ପାଇନି।
ପାଇନି
ନା
ତ ତାକୁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କେମିତି କଲେ
କହିଲେ ଏସସି କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ ବୋଲି ତାକୁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ।
କେମିତି ଏସି ରୁଲ ଫଲୋ ହଉନି
ରୁ ତ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ଆମେ ସେଇ କଥା କହିଲୁ
ହଁ
ଏଡିଏମ କୁ ସେଇ କଥା କହିଲୁ ଏଡିଏମ ବି
ଏସି
ଶୁଣିଲେ
କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ ତ ତାମାନେ କ୍ରାଇଟେରିଆ
ପଲିଟିକାଲି ମୋଟିଭେଟେଡ ହେଇକି
ଦେବ
କହିଥିଲେ।
ରିଲାକ୍ସେସନ ମାର୍କ ରେ କି କୋଥିରେ ଦିଆହବ ତାର ଏରିଆ ମିନିମମ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
Marks he has secured highest marks.
maybe
that is admitted
खाली only
no he is not disputing that
that is admitted ଖାଲି
residential
residential
certificate is wrong you mean to say what is your counter you have said what is said in counter
CDP report.
CDP counter देखले
ଆଜ୍ଞା
paragraph
kindly have reference to paragraph 5 madam.
Hmm.
That is humbly submitted that the CDPO Dhamnagar has issued the notice number so and so inviting application from the candidates for filling in the post of Anganwadi worker of different Anganwadi center.
ऐसा छाड़ो मैं पूरा
Sahid Nagar serial number 9 Sahid Nagar Anganwadi center under Khattasahi Gram Panchayat of
Khattasahi
Nagar
Gram Panchayat.
block is being mentioned. Sahid Nagar Anganwadi center is consisting of village areas namely Khattapada, revenue adjacent to Sahid Nagar Bazar, some area of Khattasahi revenue village of adjacent to Sahid Nagar Bazar and Sahid Nagar Bazar area. The last
now
date
come to this other candidates part come to the other candidates this certificate
running page 43 the CDP has annexed the residential certificate of opposite party number 5 which clearly shows that she belongs to Gohirpada. Running
which page
page 43 of their counter annexure C by 4 43 of their count internal page 43 of their count
93 94 ଅଛି अच्छा यार 43
43 internal page 43 your lordship
छोटे छोटे अंगनवाड़ी के पेज 100 200 फेल कर भगवान
counter of CDPO
43 नहीं
43 page
ये कौन कहला ये जो फाइंडिंग रे कौन देला अपील रे
फाइंडिंग रे देले जे से बिलोंग्स टू से एरिया रे रहुची बेली सेति देकरी
रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट कहा रेडा तब
तो अपोजिशन ऑपोजिट पार्ट नंबर 5
अपोजिट पार्टी
यस
से को गार से तो गहिरपदा लिखा है
गहिरपदा
ओके allowed detail order follows allowed
obliged
next
Item number 34.
34
34 the day before yesterday I received the counter 1 week time may kindly be allowed to file the rejoinder.
Rejoinder এটা কোন অঙ্গনবাড়ি
My lord,
এতে কোন rejoinder file করি
as per your lordship's direction they have filed their counter short specific as
କିଛି ନା ଆର କାରଣ
my lord I'm not ready I am no I will
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କୋନଟା ରେଡି ହେବେ 2017 ର କେସଟା
specific rejoinder ଦେବି ଗୋଟେ ପେଜ ର rejoinder ଦେବି
ନ ଦେଲେ କଣ ହବ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଯାହା କହିବି ସେଟା rejoinder କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଟିକେ ମୁଁ
ଆଉ ନାଇଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ମାଇଣ୍ଡସେଟ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଟାଇମ୍
ମାଇଣ୍ଡସେଟ ରେଡି ନାହିଁ
ମାଇଣ୍ଡସେଟ କଣ ମୁଁ
ସକାଳୁ ଆପଣ ବିଗିଡିଲେ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କିଛି ସବମିଶନ କଲି
ହଁ
ମେନସନ ମେମୋ ନଥିଲା ମେନସନ ମେମୋ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ନଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ
ମେନସନ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ତ ବିଗିଡିନି ମେନସନ ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ମେନସନ ମେମୋ ଦିଅ କହିଲେ ସେଟା କଣ ବିଗିଡି ମୁଁ ମେମୋ ଦେଲେ ସିଷ୍ଟମେଟିକ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ଟାଇମ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି ତ ନହେଲେ ତ ମୁଁ ଆସି ସକାଳୁ କହିଥାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କାଇଁ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କର ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିନଥାନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ କଣ କହି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
ନା ନା
ଭଲ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଦ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅନ୍ 21st
obliged
21st
obliged
35.
for final hearing no
May
further time shall be granted to any party for yes please
this is the matter regarding same
कौन?
item number regarding the
अंगनवाड़ी
selection of Anganwadi worker.
हाँ
Selection of
को ग्राउंड रे करछि आपण
dismissed.
करछन्ती
I am not selected on the ground of residential.
अब आपण रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट देखा तो स्टेट
Yes, your lordship.
स्टेट कम टू पेज which page ମୁଁ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ सर्टिफिकेट देखली से ठीक ठाक अछि तो आ दे दिया
आगे,
आप एते
आगे।
भाबी ने एते तमरो महाभारत सुनिया
My
पे
lord,
पड़न
kindly have a glance at the last order. Order dated 7/7/2000.
पढुन नांदी आपण
Your lordship has directed the
Running page
Tahsildar
18.
to file an affidavit why the residential why the caste and residential certificate has not been issued within has been issued
After 5 months of the application, my lord. I filed that affidavit, my lord. The date of application is very important, my lord. Here, the applicant has filed the application on 12/7/2000.
After the date of
2016.
after the date of
After the date of
submission,
publication of the
last date of submission.
my lord, I'm coming to that.
5 months
The
after.
date is 1/2/2016. He has
And the last date is
16 to 2016.
the last date for submission of application was
15/2/2016.
16 to 2000
15/2/2016.
15 to 2016.
My lord.
16 to
अरे 15 16 ठीक कर कौन दू
16.
16
15 is the last date.
16
16 is
verification.
the for verification.
हाँ गलत सवाल
Running page 12, very
Okay.
clear.
12 as per the learned consent, petitioner submit that the petitioner applied for the Anganwadi worker for the which station
Post of
Pendravan, Harijan,
Harijanapura Anganwadi Center.
for
Pendravan Harijanapura Anganwadi Center.
Pendravan Harijanpada Anganwadi Center.
3 number रे अच्छी.
देखिए Anganwadi Center. Pendravan Harijanpada Anganwadi Center. And he has produced all the documents except
income residential certificate.
except residential
And caste certificate.
Caste and residential certificate.
caste and residential
Residential
certificate. Full stop. And admittedly, the petitioner applied for the residential certificate on which date?
9/2/2016.
No, 2016.
Yes,
my lord.
that is the wrong submission.
Hold on.
My lord, the Tahsildar has filed an affidavit.
Hold on,
Yes.
sir. तहसीलदार एफिडेविट देखिए ना वो आपन कथा कहबी
आज्ञा
हां छोड़ दो ये in the said advertisement
12
in the said advertisement the last date for submission of advertisement was
15/2/2016.
2016. The petitioner had applied for issuance of residential certificate from the
Tahsildar.
Komna, KOMM.
Noapada district. Komna district Noapada on
12/7/2000.
12/7/2016.
12/7/2016 as for the Tahsildar's affidavit filed on
27 July 2023.
27 July 2023.
As per your lordship's direction.
Okay, this is not required. Okay, he is filed, that's important. Next.
But
You say, but.
the petitioner has applied for the residential certificate as well as the caste certificate before the Tahsildar on 9/2/2016. Your lordship kindly see the running page 48 of my writ application.
Your writ application doesn't make any difference. Tahsildar himself has given.
Tahsildar ଏବେ affidavit ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତ ଆଗରୁ ଦେଇଛି running page 57 ମୁଁ କାହିଁକି 7 ବର୍ଷ 5 ମାସ ପରେ ମତେ ସେମାନେ ଦେଲେ therefore your lordship directed
57 ଟା କେତେ କହିଲେ
running page 48 of my writ application.
48.
Your lordship got it. That the letter
Office of
issued
the
by the
Tahsildar, Komna district.
Yes, your lords.
Submission of birth certificate, religion report of Srimati so. One Srimati so applied for. Sir, it is caste certificate, sir.
This is for caste certificate.
This is caste certificate, not residential certificate.
Residential certificate along with the caste certificate. Therefore, thereafter,
read it now. Come to that. Is it residential? Where is it written residential certificate?
yes, your lords.
Where?
Submission of birth, caste, religion report, SMT Serabali Mahananda. हम जो
The
apply
birth, caste and religion report was residential certificate.
caste certificate, your lordship.
Caste certificate तो issue no है. It is residential certificate.
Residential certificate.
Residential certificate as well as the caste certificate. Thereafter,
You
your
can say anything you like.
running page 49, your can see running page 49.
directed to make inquiry and submit a report to the RI.
केबे एटा
40 running page 49, 18/2/2016.
My lord, kindly see the subject.
just गोटे सारे गोटे आउट देबे ना
It is जन्मगत जाति प्रमाण पत्र.
you are just misleading
No, your lordship, I submit
You
the
have-
original.
yes, you have in the first thing what is there? It is caste and religion certificate.
I have applied for the both. I have applied for the
Where is
both.
the residential?
Residential certificate and caste certificate. I applied. Your lordship, may I?
Admittedly, the petitioner has applied for residential certificate quite belatedly on student likhi debo.
No,
And
no, your lordship.
petitioner's claim for this is rejected and the petition is rejected.
May I submit your
Nothing,
lordship? May I further submit your lordship? ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛି
ଆପଣ କି ଯାହା
17/7 ରେ ସେମାନେ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ପାସ୍ କଲେ 17/7 ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍
court doesn't find any infirmity if the order passed by the ADM. Court is the order ta
Annexure 7, my lord.
Annexure 7.
may I submit more?
Sorry.
Your lordship, running page.
Sir, I am not going to
running page 13 your lordship.
ना मो टाइम वेस्ट करबे चाहुनी एमती फालतू केस रे आपण से केस किछि डॉक्यूमेंट को जहा कहउछ सब उल्टा सब कहउछंती you are not
गोटिए केस
full to the court. This caste certificate is something different, residential certificate is something different. Don't you know this?
नहीं ମୁଁ ତ ଦିଟା ଜାଗା अप्लाई
What
करते
you- whatever you say, I'll accept.
रनिंग पेज 13 your lordship गोटे गोटे ग्राउंड गोटे पॉइंट रे आगे डिसमिस करन किछ कहबा नहीं गोटे पॉइंट आगे रनिंग पेज 13
Read it.
the advertisement of issued by the city paragraph 10 point number 10 प्रार्थी संपुक्त केंद्र परिसरभुक्त होई नथिले ताकर दरखास्त नाकच करा दी चलो फाइन then on the threshold my application has been should have been rejected as why the petitioner
चेक कोलाबोरेट रिजेक्ट करबे ना सेशन दोनों रिजेक्ट कर देबे
your lordship
चेक न करके रिजेक्ट कर
your
देबे
lordship the landmark judgment of this honorable court
मु लैंडमार्क जजमेंट पढे चाहुनी मु लैंडमार्क जजमेंट मु दे देबी इंता दुईटा डोंट वरी आपन दरकार जजमेंट दुई चारटा मु दे देबी
गोटे जजमेंट देखो
और लैंडमार्क जजमेंट देबा हमें
गोटे जजमेंट देखो जे आज्ञा this honorable court
कौन करबी जजमेंट फैक्ट
paragraph 10 ऊपर
when you are not satisfying the court with your correct facts judgment is of no use to me judgment मते देखिबिनी हला facts clarify facts यदि clear न करिवे judgment र माने किछ नै
next point your lordship मोर सर्टिफिकेट मते 9/2 रे 2/9 रे 8/2 रे दिया
कले 5 मास परे सर कोड तो सर्टिफिकेट दे दे
5 मास परे अप्लाई कर
हला परे करछंदी
केन सिलेक्शन हला केबे your lordship सिलेक्शन कमिटी your lordship कानी सिलेक्शन
आपण अप्लाई केबे कले सिलेक्शन लास्ट डेट परे कले
नहीं लास्ट डेट परे नै मु 9/2 रे अप्लाई करछि से वर्तमान एफिडेविट दउ
एनीवे आपण देई नथिले
काउंटर से कथा कोइ ना
लास्ट मिनिट आपण देई नथिले ना
देई नथिले
किंतु
सिलेक्शन
no nothing doing
नहीं सिलेक्शन कमिटी your lordship काली
नहीं आपण जदि if you are not happy with my order you can go to supreme court
your lordship select
are free to go
kindly
to
see the selection committee meeting of the selection committee मु ता पूर्व देइ छ selection committee सबमिट करछि ना सी selection committee your lordship काली सी
no
your lordship selection committee टिके देखन
कोन पढंतु आपण read it
running page 26 your lordship
read it
the selection held on 26/11/2016 26/11/2016 I produced my residential certificate as well as caste certificate before the selection committee
केबे
on the same day
केबे
मु पाइली 8/7 रे 2/9 रे 8/7/2016 रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट मते दिया गला 2/9 रे दिया गला कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट बोथ सर्टिफिकेट आई प्रोड्यूस
आपण अप्लाई जदी लास्ट डेट पूर्वरु करथांते ताले यू हैड ए केस से नहीं मु अप्लाई करली एते दिन लागला देलानी यू हैड ए केस बट आपण लास्ट डेट परे अप्लाई करछंदी
नहीं मु 9/2 रे अप्लाई करछि बोली कर से वर्तमान रे एफिडेविट करछन से माने जे लास्ट डेट परे अप्लाई कर
ना
my lord during scrutiny of the documents the petitioner has also given an undertaking that he will give 15 days now
even though
that,
even though your lordship even though may I please even though the petitioner,
okay sir next item sorry
36
sorry, we'll see in a better case you argued well but it's in a better case okay next item
Item 36, my lords. We are challenging one selection, my lords. I have filed.
Challenging?
I am for the petitioner here, my lord.
And in this case, my lords, I have also challenged the selection of opposite but number 4, my lords.
Who is, he has been selected?
He was selected.
I
Just minutes. I stood fast, my lords. But I was not, my candidature was cancelled.
Because of?
Because, my lords, their stand is that I have not passed the ODI in class 7th.
ODI
in class.
So, is it a requirement?
Is it not? This is not my requirement.
Just hold on.
Just mana.
Is ODI a requirement?
Yes.
No.
Advertisement देखो ना, no कौन दूँ? Advertisement straight come to advertisement.
Just mana.
Advertisement code अच्छी.
That is my annexure. I have filed a case that has not been.
Sir, why are you in a hurry?
Yes.
I am going slow by point by point. Where is the advertisement?
Mo case ta asini sir.
Sir, advertisement. Where is the advertisement?
Mo case ra annexure 1. Mo case ta asini to bas.
आप कौन दूँ?
Same selection procedure. Number 1 and number 2 have challenged. One application has come, another.
I am not on that. I am on the ground of rejection is ODI first. Let's see what is the requirement of ODI.
Yes.
Let's see that. ODI requirement code होती देखा तो.
Advertisement movie देनी.
कार advertisement की?
I was
advertisement.
I
have annexed.
अब अस्सी आपने करो.
ना mo case ta asini.
आज अस्सी नहीं. आता क्या आपने
because
क्या बसंत बसंत.
No, because I stood.
आपने अस्सी नहीं को भाई ताला भी let both your case come unnecessary.
हाँ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଦିଟା case.
ସେଇଟା କହୁନା ତୁମେ ଆପଣ argument ମୁଁ ତ
argument କରୁନି କହୁଛି ଦିଟା case ଏକାଠି ଆସ.
ଆପଣ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
WPC 3243. 3243 by 2020.
ओ एका संग आसो.
I was selected in the year 2018.
Make a short note, sir. आप लोग की note क्यों नहीं देते हो? कोई note नहीं देता.
Yeah,
give me note.
I am giving me that.
अब ମୁଁ भी ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ note कर. ମୁଁ ଛୋଟିଆ note कर दियो and clarification ମଧ୍ୟ. I have annexed all the documents.
Give me note.
Lord, I was selected in the 2018 and continued till 2020, my lord. And
let's see, let both the cases.
Yes.
3243.
And copy of the writ petition may be served. His copy may be served to me.
Please have a copy.
Yes.
Give a copy.
Yes, sir.
Next item.
37.
37.
May I please, your lordships.
Item number 37, most probably your lordship on the last occasion directed the state to get the instruction whether the
Advertisement has been quashed or not?
quashed or not. It has been quashed.
Your lordship may peruse one just a minute. Your lordship may kindly see the.
What is the case, sir? I don't remember that. Can you refresh? Can you refresh?
Let me come.
Yeah, please.
Your lordship, one advertisement was published by the CDPO. Your lordship may kindly see the brief. Annexure 1. Page 14 and 15. Your lordship may kindly see.
Yes.
This advertisement your lordship will find at page 15 for 5 Anganwadi centers and for ST people only. It is very vital point, your lordship. For ST people, for 5 Anganwadi centers. Out of 5 Anganwadi centers, your lordships, 5 candidates for each Anganwadi center was selected. 3 persons were, my lord, given appointment. 2 persons were not given appointment. It was the appointment was withheld. So that was initially, my lord, I preferred one writ application before this Hon'Ble Court. This Hon'Ble Court was pleased to direct the authority to dispose of my representation. On disposal of my representation, your lordships, what they did, they said it is withheld.
Sir, what happened? Tell me finally.
Finally,
why have you come here to tell me? Straight come to the point.
Now intervention has application was filed by my learned friend.
Forget about kain ete point ko asantu apano heiji kono asubida.
I was selected.
You are selected.
But no appointment was given.
No appointment. 3 people have been given appointment.
3 persons out of 3 Anganwadi centers.
Total 5 posts are there.
No. 5 Anganwadi centers.
5 Anganwadi centers
was made for 5 Anganwadi centers.
5 ta 5टा पे 5टा लोक दरकार तो.
5टा लोक.
बस सेही तो कहूची आपण कोन आग्रह.
नहीं 5 पोस्ट मु कहूची.
5 पोस्ट हला नहीं 5 Anganwadi
5 पोस्ट each Anganwadi center गोटे Anganwadi center हे गेले असुविधा हे.
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ପୋଷ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ
କଣ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ତ ମୁଁ ବି
I am sorry for that. I am sorry.
କଣ
Yes,
difference
yes.
କଣ କହିଲି
If my
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଲୋକ ତିନିଟା ଲୋକ appointment ପାଇଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତିନିଟା ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର ତିନି ଲୋକ they are remaining
my lord.
now 2 are vacant
Right.
2 are vacant
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦିଟା ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର
ଖାଲି ଅଛି ଆପଣ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଇକିରି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିଲାନି ସେ
ମିଳିଲାନି, right.
ଏଇ ତ କଥା ଆଉ
ସେଟା ଯଦି ନ ମିଳିଲା
ହଁ
ତ ସେ ମୁଁ କଣ କଲି ନା ଗୋଟେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଲି ମାନେ ମତେ
ସେ
ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କଥା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମ
ହଁ
ତ ଏବେ କଣ ଆପଣ ଦରକାର
ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦରକାର
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦରକାର ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି
ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି
what is your
appointment
answer
letter is
ବସନ୍ତୁ
yes
what is your
issue
answer
ହେଇଛି
ବସନ୍ତୁ ବସନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବସନ୍ତୁ 2 ମିନିଟର କାମକୁ ତ 3
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଘଣ୍ଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରି
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ବସିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବସନ୍ତୁ
I am sorry.
ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ what is your reply
Last time rejection, last time order.
And last time order, your lordship may kindly.
ଅର୍ଡର ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ କଣ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ
The person who has challenged that before the ADM, the one person is challenged that one by the.
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମତେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ
discuss
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ
appeal.
ଏଡିଏମ୍ କୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କର କି ନ କଲା
And
ସେଟା
that
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ
advertisement.
ଆନ୍ସର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ when a person was selected against a particular Anganwadi center you have given appointment to 3 why not to another 2
My
what
lord,
is the
that
reason
advertisement has been quashed.
huh
Advertisement
The
has already been quashed by the
advertisement
ADM.
itself-
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ସବୁ
no 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 not ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ
Yes.
ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ let the government answer yes Mr. Misra
My lord, the advert-
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଜାଗା କୁ ଆସିଗଲା କି
total advertisement number 359 dated 3/6/2021.
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
ଗୋଟିଏ ରେ ତ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଯାକ ବାହାରିଥିଲା।
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସବୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ
ସବୁ ତକ
କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ ତ ଗଲା କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ
no,
କରିବେ
you lordship may kindly visualize
How visualize?
not ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
My lord, this is a certified copy.
this is certificate I have given your lordship may kindly see that
This- my instruction is also that.
not ପାଞ୍ଚଟା
ସାର୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କୋଉଟା କହୁଛି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନିବି ଆପଣ କଥା ମାନିବି ଆପଣ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା ସବୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଓଲଟା ସିଧା କହୁନି
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କହୁଛି କରିଛି ମାନେ କରିଛି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା କି ନାହିଁ
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ତ କରୁଛି ଆଉ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା କି ଗୋଟେ your lordship may kindly
Total advertisement was
ଲେଟ୍ ମି ଚେକ୍ ନା ସାର୍ ମୁଁ
Yes,
ଦେଖିନି
yes,
ଦେଖେ
yes, yes, yes.
ଆପଣ କି ରେଟ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ କି ସେ ରାଇଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବିନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦେଖିଲ
your lordship may kindly
Let's see.
the total advertisement.
no advertisement
One
in respect of the case 88807 not total
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ
that is a wrong submission you are
ଆରେ
making
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ କିଏ ରଙ୍ଗ ରାଇଟ୍ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବିନି କି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଟା ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜ ନମ୍ବର କେତେ ଥିଲା
359
359 ଠିକ ଅଛି issued by CDPO Khajurpada has already been quashed by ADM and so in this case not so and so this in favor ସବୁ ତ quash ହେଲା ଆଉ କଣ
no your lordship may kindly see for a
ଆଉ
moment
କଣ
ସବୁ ହେଇନି put up the advocate the applicant is present filed hazira the advocate
କୋଉଟା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ ସେ first paragraph second paragraph
this is what received from the child development officer Khajuripada
my lord the applicant who has challenged the advertisement she belongs to Pandarapada she cannot challenge the total
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ସେ କିଏ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କଲା ନ କଲା ଜାଣିନି ଟୋଟାଲ ନାଓ ଇଟ ଇଜ the entire is quashed fresh advertisement
no your lordship no your lordship may
ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଆପଣ no
your lordship may bear with me your lordship may come to page 14 of the intervention application
necessary
no your lordship may see I am second paragraph
କୋଉଠି
that
ଆଚ୍ଛା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ
page 14
କ୍ୱାସ କଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ କ୍ୱାସ କଲେ କ୍ୱାସିଂ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା
My lord, I filed the counter itself.
କଣ ପାଇଁ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Your lordship, my brief is with you.
no it is for one center it is not for all
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ତ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା and I have also though it is for one center
sir please ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ total if the advertisement has been entire advertisement is quashed then nothing remains you apply in the
yes, no your lordship may kindly see one minute I may be permitted to argue my lord it is only for one center my lord she has challenged for the person who has challenged the advertisement only no
just ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯୋଉ CDPO ର ଯୋଉ ଲେଟର ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
order ଟା sir ମୁଁ ଧରିଛି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ
ଗୋଟେ
ଅର୍ଡର
କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆସୁ ମୁଁ I will satisfy
ଏବେ 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 ଖତମ କରିବି ଆଉ
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲେଟର ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
yes your lordship WPC number 8807 so it did WPC number 8807 for one candidate not for all For all
Sir,
minor,
one candidate court order kari paribani entire your advertisement ko pass kari paribani
advertisement pass kariବାର କ୍ଷମତା ADM ଙ୍କର ନାହିଁ।
court ର ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଏବେ କରୁଛି ଯା ମୁଁ କରୁଛି ଆଉ ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଣ କରିବି?
ସେଇ ଅର୍ଡରଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ସେ ରିଟ୍ ଟାକୁ ଟ୍ୟାଗ କରିକି ଏଥିରେ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ।
ସେଟା କାଇଁ ଆଗରୁ କହିଲେନି ତାମାନେ ସେ କଥାଟା ଆପଣ
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମତେ ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ସାର୍? ମୁଁ ଏଇ କଥାଟା କହିକି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି।
Next item.
5094 of 2023.
Next item, release the matter.
5094 of
Please
2023.
remain on 4th September. Next.
245094 of
Your
2023.
Lordship may direct to serve a copy to me, though I am an
Give a copy.
intervener.
Give a copy.
I will serve a copy. 25094 of 2023.
Next. Next item.
Item number 38.
ଆପଣ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ
Again, ADM has no jurisdiction at all as per the guidelines.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ନା ମୁଁ ADM କରିନି
ADM କରିଛି।
ଏଇ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ର ଅର୍ଡର ରେ କରିଛି
No. 8807 पर ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇନୁ ତା ଅର୍ଡରରେ କେମିତି କରିବେ?
ଏଇ କେସ୍
ଏଇ କେସଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ instruction ମାଗିଥିଲେ we have sought for the instruction.
ADM କରିଛି
ହଁ ADM has no jurisdiction. He has no the appellate authority by virtue of the guidelines. That is my submission. Your Lordship may kindly see.
We'll see. Next, let's see.
Item number 38.
I thought on another because so many writ petitions are filing na हम court order रे करछि भाବୁछि
नहीं
No, Lordship. Lordship.
8807 पर एई केस टा एई केस टा आज्ञा एई केस
आउ कोस केस पे फाइल हिछि
आउ किछि नहीं
Lordship.
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଅଛି
आउ गोटे एई दुईटा को अछि पुरा आपन पाखरे 8807 8808 दी जनकर
ଆପଣ ଆଉ କୋଡା ଗୋଟେ କହିଲେ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଲେ ଏବେ
मु एबे जो फ्रेश एगुडा को चैलेंज कर जो क्वासिंग टा सेगिना विदाउट जुरिडिक्शन
ADM जोटा क्वासिंग कले
सेउटा को चैलेंज कर
से बता फ्रेश करछन
ताकू चैलेंज
ताकू बिकॉज़ ही हैज नो जुरिडिक्शन
Oh, you let it come. एक से सुन लो
आज्ञा 25094 of
Okay, next item.
मत कॉपी देबो
हां डेफिनेटली
38.
38.
Item number 38. On behalf of my learned senior, Mr. S.S. Rao, my lords. Since our chamber had recently, my lord, shifted, the file has been misplaced, my lord. What I pray before your lordship is 1 week of time may be given to us so that
Okay,
the
let's
file
see
may be
what 12
reconstructed
September next.
and notice may be taken on opposite party number 5, my lords. I'll do it within 1 week.
Sorry?
Notice टा भी case note रे उठिछि that opposite party number 5 ऊपरे कराइनी बोली as per case noting.
ଆପଣ notice ଦେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି
Notice निया हिनी बस opposite party number 5 टा रही
ନିଆ ହେଇନି ମାନେ
माने हमें we need to file the requisites for opposite party
ଆପଣ requisite file କହୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି ନିଆ ହେଇନି ଏମିତି ଭାଷା ବୁଝେନି ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଯଦି ଓଡିଆ ଭଲ ଆସୁନି ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ କହ ନିଆ ହେଇନି ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ଏଟା କଣ ଓଡି ଭାଷା tell me in English
This will take notice on
you have
opposite
to
party
take
number
notice please take the requisite to be filed within
1 week of time.
1 week. Okay,
Well,
list the
great
matter
development.
September 12. Next.
Item number 39 and 40 are similar, my lords. In this case,
And your lordship only last time-
file an affidavit, counter affidavit.
Okay,
And last time, what's the matter of 2012, my lord, matter relating to compensation. So that your lordship may kindly please
compensation for what, sir?
compensation, some class 6 students at the time of 2012 have been injured by bomb blast. Bomb blast due to some dissension of 3 teachers. And one teacher, namely Devraj Behar, who kept one polythene bag inside of the school.
Where?
In the Bankhulu school at Khomara.
Huh?
Bankhulu UP school at Khomara, near Palloda.
Palloda?
Yes, my lord.
Is teacher on a bomb dhari school?
Yes, and he's kept one polythene bag, and during course of cleaning the office room.
Bomb dhari school.
And how
many students died?
Died, injured. 3 students died, injured visually, and 1 student physically.
Sir, 2012 matter, why should the matter be unnecessarily lingered? I am passing order.
My lord, just last chance, my lord.
No,
What
last
has
time you have to
happened?
give the compensation. How many
Only-
students? What is the compensation?
8 lakhs I have claiming, my lord.
What is the compensation?
8 lakhs I am claiming, my lord.
They are claiming 8 lakhs.
How many students died?
Nobody died.
No died. 4 students injured.
And what is the percentage of injury?
Percentage injury, I have already
I just
given
need
this certificate.
my lord, may grant 2 weeks of time. I will.
No, not 2 weeks. Within 3 days. This is serious students.
Minimum में week.
No, 3 days. 3 days. आपनका officer न ला आसी
परदिन अपन छुट्टी अछि
Monday आसु Monday.
परन अपन छुट्टी अछि
परदिन अपन की छुट्टी
Saturday, Sunday.
For the national, 16 national, 16. 16 national.
Yes.
16 finally out time again.
My lord.
Check it. 16. Next.
Item 41.
41.
Item 41, my lord. I am filing the consolidated cost title. Lordship, last occasion
Consider contract.
allowed.
Give it to copy to. Copy.
Yes.
Give a copy to of the consider contract to non-consider the opposite party. Place the matter on. Place the matter on. 22nd. এটা কোন ইস্যুটা কোন?
এটা হইছে the award passed by the deputy labor commissioner.
এই ডেপুটি লেভেল এ অ্যাওয়ার্ড তো এদিকে আসবে না?
That was set aside
No, this did not come here.
or any other bench, lordship.
Let it go to the prepared bench. It's not labor matter asking.
It's a compensation matter. Your lordship taking the compensation matter.
It is labor matter, না এটা?
No, labor matter, deputy labor commissioner. That is under the Employees Compensation Act. Here in the case is that the award passed by the deputy labor commissioner under the EC Act.
Compensation for what? Employee?
He was not our employee. One person died in electrocution. One person died in electrocution.
Okay,
And
we'll see.
previously one complaint was filed.
Okay, we'll see. 42.
Lord, may I
42.
41 an extra copy may be given.
Give a
somehow.
copy. List the matter on 11th September.
Displacing.
11th September. Next. Next.
42.
42.
I am appearing for the opposite party on behalf
LIC.
of
Yeah, for LIC.
LIC.
Who is for the opposite party? To Udara matter.
I am for the LIC on behalf of Karunakara Sahu. He is seriously ill. Counter already filed. I detect the copy is not served.
2014 matter চালু। Why did you write here? It is petition not the email. I will not it. Request of the petition of the non-present. The last chance is given to the petitioner to be present. List the matter. 24. 24th
He
August.
may not be present. First week of September. First week of September.
You're not there?
No. 2 weeks more ରହିବିନି sir.
4th September. Next.
43.
43. 43.
I mean, pardon me, in item 43, I mean, BC Miller. This matter, your lordship was directed for filing an amendment application for impletion of opposite party number 1 and 2 Miller. Because I have got Miller the instruction today with regard to Miller the address of the opposite party number 1 and 2. So Miller, let 1 week time may be given Miller, thereby I can implement them as a party.
Okay. 1 week time. 4th September.
Obliged, my lord.
You are for?
I am for opposite part number 1 and 2, your lordship.
1 and 2, who are they?
L&T.
In fact, Miller, that L&T is no more and that is merged
L&T
with
General Insurance Company, your lordship.
SDFC.
Company is there, na?
No, it has already been taken over by SDFC Ergo General Insurance Company, my lord.
So now you are appearing for the SDFC?
Yeah, we are.
SDFC?
Yeah.
Court language, not yeah. Court language, yes.
Sorry, your lordship. Yes.
It's not your
No,
conversational
no,
language.
no. I'm
Don't say
extremely
yeah.
sorry. I apologize, my lord.
Next.
Item number 45.
45. 45.
I'm appearing for the Union of India, ma'am.
I beg your pardon, your lordship. Date
4th of September.
4th September.
Obliged, my lord.
45.
Yes, sir. My lord, in this case, my lord, my learned senior has filed his written note of submission, and I am praying for 1 week time to file my written note of submission, my lord.
You have
As
not
the
filed
pleadings
it?
has been completed.
I have filed my written. Okay, let the written of submission be filed on 17th. 17th. 17th सुधा दे दे.
Man.
17th नहीं बनी?
Man.
Now do the type.
My lord, 17.
18 कर दो.
My 17.
Okay. 18.
18. Okay.
18 लगा दे.
Obliged, ma'am.
For the purpose of discussion. Let the matter be listed. For receiving partition. Okay, next.
46.
46. 46, 43 matter.
Your Lordship, 46, my lord. Lord, in this 46 matter, the state haven't given the counter, my lord. And NTPC, your lordship, he's saying
file
that
the
he is going to
counter.
file a plea now.
I am for the sub item, second item.
The parties have to file the counter and
Within 3
complete the
weeks.
pleading by 12th September. Allah, the parties have to complete the pleading by 12th September. Pleading means counter region and everything. Allah. Okay, next.
Publishment.
Next.
47.
47.
Sir, can you peruse the last order, man?
Hmm?
The Lordship, can you peruse the last order?
What is it? Why insurance regulatory authority?
Yes, my lord, the settlement of claim of the death of our mother-in-law, my lord. The husband is the nominee. During process, he also died, my lord. That the present petitioner is the legal heir, my lord.
How many legal heirs are there?
The present petitioner is the wife of the.
How many legal heirs are there, sir? One legal heir can't.
Yes, madam.
Must be children are also legal heirs.
Yes, madam. Annexure 2.
So what is your grievance?
Grievance is that, my lord, the mother-in-law of the present petitioner have a insurance before the opposite party number 2 and 3, my lord. She was died. That the husband of the petitioner is the nominee. During the process, my lord,
Nominee
he
also died.
my lord.
So how much amount is there?
So I have instructions to appear. I am filing my wakalat number today, my lord. 4 weeks time may be granted to file counter.
2 weeks time.
And 4, my lord, this has to
one
come from
date may
calendar.
fix.
Yeah, 2 weeks time.
Well, it's
file the
three-
counter.
at least 3 weeks.
30th,
At least
30th.
At least 3 weeks.
30th. So your local office will give you.
And my lords, this, if your lordship sees the writ petition, my lords, this falls in the realm of, my lord, the CP Act. He has to, my lords, go before the appropriate authority. Very recently also, if your lordship may
No, how many this claimants are there?
Only present petitioner and
my lord, there is
children.
one here also.
Yeah.
As I see it, I have no instruction.
Who are the other legal heirs, sir?
His son-
My lord, with children of the petitioner.
Yes.
Petitioner children can ask you.
ସେମାନେ all are minor, my lord. 1 year, 2 years.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାଙ୍କର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ son ବି ଅଛି।
ସେମାନେ ବର୍ଷେ 2 ବର୍ଷ।
ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅ ବି ଅଛନ୍ତି। one more son of the, my lord, the deceased insured is also there, my lords. As per the annexure. Anyways, I'll file cover. I'm filing my wakalat.
Okay, next.
On date
48.
Date delivery?
30th August.
30th August. 48.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in last order, your lordship was directed to take prompt steps in regard to release of the ex gratia amount.
In this case, I will file a counter, my lord. He is not
Tell the
eligible.
state to file the counter within 1 week. List the matter on 29th. 49.
Much obliged.
49.
My lord.
49 का adjourn है ये.
My lord, on
Age 50.
50. 49, my lord.
Somebody asked for adjournment.
5th September.
5th September. 50.
50.
None appears. List the matter on 11th September.
My lord, one thing I have.
What?
My lord, item 44, I am for the petitioner. But opposite party has taken time.
What can I do? You can talk to your opposite party.
All right.